Yeah! It's birthday week, baby! Oh, the freaking mute button. Happy birthday week, everybody. Happy birthday week. Welcome back to the night shift. Here for another week. Here for another stream. Here for another incredible show. Hey, Papa Les, already dropping in a $20 dono. Already got $1,500 on the board. Oh my gosh, what a great start to the week. Freaking incredible. Alternator. Feels like you turned 51 just last week. It is. No carrot cake. Hey, actually, you know what? Carrot cake isn't that bad. I'll take some carrot cake. It's not my favorite, but it's okay, especially with some cream cheese icing on it. Man, I hope you guys, I've missed y'all. I've missed y'all so much. This weekend, all I could think about was 51 accounts to give away this week. 51 accounts. We got 5 tonight. All week long, we're giving away Lucid. We're giving away My Funded Futures. All week long. You don't want to miss Wednesday. You don't want to miss Wednesday. Wednesday, we got 31 accounts. 31 accounts on Wednesday. It is birthday week bonanza all week long. Let me just say, I have been looking forward to this week like nobody's business. Let me get in. Let me just scroll back up. Let me just say hello to some people, some of my favorite people in the world. Let's see. We got Lucas, Tajul, Farina, Dexter Goes Wild, Bill Jeff, Wax Grams, Dude Aze, Duarte Machado, Dave Mack. Who else we got in here? Achille Jr., Gia Hingwan, welcome in. Lisa Baby Sal, Papa Les, Johnson J, Aubrey Berry, Hitcham, Mark Tom Frank, Matt Evans, The State of Baker, Jay Woods, Toasty, Detrian Fitzness, Drop Trades. Who else we got? We said Matt Evans. We said all those guys. Byte, Render Code, Han Trades, Uniquely Shun Shan, Bank Robber Trading, Ganja Balls, Alternator, Rogue of the Lamb, Johnny Moho, Dark Mage, Kevin and X is in the house. Trady's in the house. What's going on, guys? How are you? Rishi's in the house. Just scrolling. TBH, TB, TDI, whatever that is. Welcome into the show. Jake H007, Rob Heitzman, Green Hunters. Oh, who else we got? Allie's in the house. Croatian Sensation, Radu, Brett Allen, The Jury, Mark Matthew, Cruson FinTech, Oz Trader, Red Hill, Marzena, Hitcha, Miracle X. Oh my gosh, it's going to be a great week, guys. I am so freaking pumped about this week. Drops Trades with a dono. We've got 2 boot camp donos right off the top. Look at this. My duck drowned eating soft carrots. Oh my gosh. Dunk that duck 20 times. Let's go. What's up, Matt? Welcome in, buddy. Hope you had a great weekend. So glad everyone is back with us. I don't know if you've noticed my Dom yet, but we're already up $1,500 on the day, past my Funded Futures 50K Rapid account tonight. Just right off the bat, right off of MHP rip. My gosh, ES, just a beautiful MHP bounce. I took the trade on NASDAQ. I love you. You want to say hi to everybody? They're saying happy birthday week. It's my birthday week. We got lots of accounts to give away. Yeah. Do you wanna give away an account?
No.
You don't? Why not? Come on, you can do it. Yeah. Well, I'll be streaming. What should we do for my birthday on Wednesday night? She wants for the stream on Wednesday night. What should we do? Like, what do you mean? What should we
I
do?
don't know. Throw out some ideas. I can bring in.
Bring in a cake, some strippers. Wow. All right. Matt'll want to come. Karaoke. Make him eat carrot cake. Look, Matt always wants to go. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Yeah, we'll think of something. We'll do something fun. There'll be a cupcake or a birthday cake or something. Thank you for my dinner. I appreciate you. I love you. Stack of ones for the karaoke bar. Matt said, does he need a stack of ones for the karaoke bar?
Hell yeah.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys. We are about to upgrade this My Funded Futures account. Congratulations. You have successfully passed your evaluation. Your account has been upgraded to Sim Funded. Click Continue to view your new account. That is what the instant account upgrade looks like on My Funded Futures. We are loading it up right now. They have all of the, let's see, full name. Oh, I gotta enter all this information in. I thought once you did this once, I thought once you did this once, it didn't do it anymore. Tap here to start signing. I'm tapping there. Oh. Wonder why it won't let me sign like that. That's really weird. Oh, right down here. There we go. Agree. Add signature. Okay. Oh, I gotta type my full address in. My gosh. And done. Finish. I understand. All right, there it is. Let me close this one down, and let me load up now this one, and let's get it worked up here tonight. All right, so this is a rapid account with My Funded Futures. It just got funded. We passed it tonight, right at the market open. Right as we bounced off of MHP. There it is. There's the new account here. Let's see here. Yep. All right. Get back down to a reasonable size. Okay, so it starts at 0. My Funded Futures starts your funded accounts at 0. So this has a $2,000 max drawdown on the My Funded Futures Rapid account. This also, chat, is intraday drawdown. And it's been my nemesis. I have yet to get a payout on it. Well, no, that's not true. I did get payouts from Apex in the early days, but it took me a long time. The intraday trailing drawdown has been a nemesis of mine. Typically, I have just tried the baby step method where it's just, like you're getting in and setting a limit order at the top of your profit so that when you get out, your drawdown is still at max capacity per trade. I've also tried the smash and pass where it's just like, you're trying to wait for a really good setup and then go with a big position and pass the buffer very quickly. And that has not worked out well for me either. So I don't know, chat, if you've had success with intraday trailing drawdown, I would love to hear from you about how you feel about passing intraday or clearing the buffer on an intraday trailing drawdown. What have you had the most success with? Have you had the most success with baby step base hits all the way up until it's cleared, or have you had more success with an aggressive position size at a high volume pivot and just clear it quick? All right, I see one full port. I see one base hit. Get out, don't oversize. Base hits until it's cleared. One big trade, no consistency. Base hits. So it's like split. Half of you are like, you just clear it quick and you get done, and half of you are like baby steps. I'm starting to see more base hits, baby steps. Signing the agreement is harder than passing the eval. Yeah, it feels like that a little bit. Baby steps. Hey, what's up, Fraser? Welcome in, baby. Mix of both, maybe one mini, maybe two. Green means go. Smaller trade size so the pullbacks don't hit the trail. Base hits. New York Open full port. Hit your first payout today? Let's go, Kuldeep Singh. Congratulations. 4 trades to pass, 4 days max. Need 104 more time to get a payout. Nice, nice, nice. Well, I hope that your Friday was green. Mine was green on Friday. Let's see, we added minimum days to our Lucid accounts. So remember, we took payouts on these last week. This is a new 50K funded. It got Thursday was day 1, Friday was day 2, so we're up just over $1,000 on this account. I need 1, 2, 3 days of at least $150, and I can take a payout on that. Of course, I want to get this one up a decent size so the payout could be bigger. This account we have now taken $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 max payouts on. This account started back, the funded account, so we started this account back Wednesday the 15th. And we've just had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 straight winning days. So that's great. And this is, you guys have seen this on several of my funded accounts, especially the ones that are getting multiple payouts. The consistency on those has been off the charts, and I'm super proud of that. I think this has, I could get one more payout on this, and then I have to decide what do I want to do about chasing down the funded status, or do I want to just continue to try to milk $1,000 payouts and not worry about the going live. So lots of green on the board there on the funded accounts. The the Top Step account. So if you remember last week, I started with a 50K, and I made like $1,200 on it last week, and then Friday that account ended up in the early in the session got blown up, and I went back to reset it, and then I started looking at the math, and it made way more sense to try the 150K account. So I loaded up a 150K account with Top Step on Friday and made $4,500 on that account Friday. And then tonight we've already made $1,000 on that account. Almost 1,000, 992. So I'm gonna try. So the reason I went with the 150K on the Top Step, and I have the DOM loaded up over here so that we can trade off of it tonight as well. But I just wanted you to see that this account is live and active. It's a 50K account, 4,500 on Friday, $900 tonight. We're up to 155,000. You have to get to $9,000 profit on these accounts So we're a little more than halfway there on that. But once you're funded, there's no consistency. It's 5 days to pay out, and you can get up to a 5K withdrawal. You can take out 50% of your account up to 5K per account. So I wanted to give it a shot. I'm still trying to give Top Step a fair shake. I'm trying to give them I'm trying to just, I want to be able to say they still score very high on prop score. And if you haven't checked out prop score yet, oh my gosh, look at all of the firms we have inside of prop score. Of course, it's officially going live tomorrow to the world. It will be completely marketed out. But look at prop score. We have My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, Blue Sky Trading, Trade-A-5, Funded Futures Family, Lucid Trading, Funded Next, Funded Seat, Trade Day, Aqua Futures, Alpha Futures, Blue Guardian Futures, Phoenix Trader Funding, Top One Futures, Blueberry Futures, Apex Trader, Phidias, NextGen, Ola Prime, Earn to Trade, FXify, the Fivers, Funded Futures Network, Halcyon Trader, Day Traders, Bullinox, Elite Trader Funding, and Prop Shop Trader. I don't know how many more we have to go. That's a lot, number one. It's crazy how much work that our team has done behind the scenes to get all of this put together, and more are coming. So huge shout out to our prop score team for getting this ready to launch tomorrow. I have just passed the My Funded Futures 50K Rapid. The 25K is one of the top scoring. The firm itself, the Rapid, is a 10.0. Take Profit Trader, the Top Step Combine 50K is an 8.5, so it's the number 3 scoring. Blue Sky Trading is right behind it. So we're going to get into prop score tonight. We're going to talk about that a little bit more, but I did want you to see, if you haven't checked it out since the weekend, you need to go look. You need to start running the filters on this. You need to start exploring and comparing accounts. As we head into a new week and you need to buy some evals, this is where you're going to go every single day. Make sure that there's no deals that have popped up, no rule changes have changed, no new accounts have popped up. You're going to want to check this every single day as you move forward to as just part of your regular trading journey in the morning, your morning time. All right, where are we at? We opened with a gap down. We tried to fill the gap, sold off. We sold into monthly hedge pressure, and we have since been trying to fill the gap now up over that we ended it at Friday. So what do I think is going to happen? We've already filled the gap here on NQ. We haven't yet filled the gap on ES. We still haven't made a new session high on ES. NQ is still pushing harder and higher. There was news over the weekend today that there was some back and forth between Iran and the U.S., of course, just with the whole, proposals that are going back and forth. Iran proposes this. Trump says, no, that's not going to work. Trump says it's got to be this. Iran says, no, that's not going to work. We're still in a ceasefire. And by ceasefire, I mean they're not dropping bombs, but it does appear that they're not afraid to shoot at a couple ships every now and then, just to remind everyone that we're still fighting, but we're not really fighting, but we're fighting. So the U.S. proposal was not good for Iran. The Iranian proposal was not good for U.S. And so I think that was some of kind of the initial drop here. And now we've started to recover. It's going to be interesting to see what happens now that we have filled the gap on NQ. Do we want to keep pushing to all-time highs again, which is up at 29,383.75? Or are we going to consolidate and push lower? I don't really know. I've made my money. I have the brand new 50K Rapid account, intraday trailing drawdown we can trade off. I have 2 funded accounts with Lucid. I have the 25K Flex and the 50K Flex that I could trade on. And I also have my Top Step 150K Combine loaded up and ready to trade tonight as well. So how was your Friday? Were you green? Were you red? Did you pass any evals? Did anybody request a payout heading into the weekend? Did you blow up any accounts on Friday? Guys, let me know in the chat. I know I haven't really been paying attention over there much. I've just been talking. But let me know right now how your weekend was. And then maybe we'll get in and look about seeing about putting some trades on or not. K-Moose says 300 away from a max payout. Nice. 2 daily loss limits, 20% profit on personal. Nice. Past 2 next-gen evals. Oh, yeah. The next-gen deal that was going on where it was free resets so you could just YOLO until you passed. I bet there were a lot of people that got that. Let it run. P&L popping. Kyle, I know. Aubrey, 849. Futures, yeah, my fund of futures account saw red and said holding my beer. Yep. Checking payout email every 5 minutes, still worth it. 16 green days in a row, that's insane consistency. Yeah, it's I've been very, very fortunate that on the funded accounts, I have had very good success over the last month and a half. We have been locked in. Milking 1K payout sounds like a dream I woke up from. Oh my gosh, yeah. There's a clean channel up on the P&L. Trend is your friend. Yeah, we definitely on the 1 minute for sure have been trending higher. 5 minute, we've just closed the gap. At this point, with the gap closed, let's see, what was that? What was that drop? That was it was a 40-point drop. That's not like massive drop. Like we've had way, way bigger drops in this war event for opening week gaps. 40 isn't insignificant, but it's not crazy either. And ES gap was 17 points. That's a little bit of chunkier hole there on the ES side of things. Still don't understand the next gen have to have a TradingView paid account or something, Chesterfrack. So you have to have TradingView so that you can log in with your AMP credentials. I'm not sure if you have to use the I'm not sure if you have to use the paid version of TradingView for that or not. I've never run into that before, so I'm not really sure. DuPont said, "Hey Brad, saw you on TV last night. Didn't know you were fighting Kamzat Kimev. Congrats on getting the belt back. You looked absolutely jacked." Did I look like one of the UFC fighters? I don't know who that is. But now I'm interested. I'm going to have to go find out. Monthly hedge pressure is where the real SMC players are looking for shorts. Yeah. I would think that the likelihood that ES fills its gap is high. We're obviously still in a very crazy bull market. Let's just go up to the daily time frame here. Let's just take off all of the lipstick and let's just look at the absolute insane rip that we've had since we started on March 31st. The low of March 31st to the high. 28% ripper. It's crazy. This is nuts. Like, especially after you come out of all of this where every day is just barcoding. This is, I think, why a lot of people are just feeling confused, because we just had literally like 4 months of just straight barcoding. It was basically every day was opposite day of the day before. And then we had the war, and it was gap down, fill, gap down, fill, gap down, fill, gap down, fill. And then ceasefire, and then it's just been straight up. Absolutely straight up. The weekly time frame almost looks even more crazy. Like not... It's impressive. It's frustrating. because the human psychology part of this. Oh, by the way, I can't believe I just forgot this. Happy Mother's Day. I know we have several female traders. I know Farina's in the show and she's got kids. I don't know if all the other lady traders in here have mothers or not. Obviously, they have mothers. I don't know if they are mothers or not. But let me just say Happy Mother's Day to everyone, all of the mothers. Obviously, none of us would be here without you. Literally impossible. So thank you so much for the way you love and serve. And I know Mother's Day is Mother's Day and Father's Day are tricky because, you know, it's not always a good day for everyone. There's probably a lot of people out there that maybe this is their first Mother's Day without their mom, and it's tough. Maybe you didn't have the best relationship with your mom, and so it's tough. Maybe you want to be a mom and you haven't been able to make that happen, you know, for whatever, you know, you and your partner just can't, you know, it's not working and you can't be a mom yet, and that's frustrating. So I know being, you know, Mother's Day isn't just always happy and it's a celebration of moms, but I know it's a mixed emotion kind of a holiday for a lot of people. So I just want to say, glad you're here. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Farina. Your kid drew you a picture of Matt's stream as a present. That's awesome. Oh, that's hilarious. That's hilarious. Big sell-off here heading into the half hour. That's a fairly aggressive push down after filling the gap here. I just want to believe. I just want to believe that there's going to be a day or two where this just kind of sells off a little bit. I want to believe that. However, I have no evidence. I have no evidence that it's going to be like that. Oh, all right. It's the bottom of the hour. Here's what we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is we're going to smash that like button. Because we're only at 138 likes. We need to get massive amounts of likes. We have 5 accounts to give away to celebrate birthday week here on the night shift. I want to get them into your hands. I want to do it as fast as I can, but we got to get the likes up. If you guys would be so kind, smash that like button for me. I know we can get to 300 or 400 here pretty quick if you guys would just take one little minute, just reach on down there while I take a bite. All right. And now, for anyone who had a kind of a blow-up account situation on Friday, I have one eval that I blew up on Friday. We're just going to take a minute, pause and reflect on those little buddies, those little guys that just never made it back. And I'm going to eat my lunch dinner while that's happening.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute you. All right, first account that we've got to give away tonight. Let me get over to my sheet. Man, this is crazy looking. This is like all the accounts that we have to give away this week. Absolutely insane. I want to give a huge shout out to Prop Score and to Farina and all of the guys that work their butts off to convince Lucid and My Funded Futures to support the show and give us all these accounts to give away to you guys. As you know, Lucid and My Funded Futures are one of my favorite. They're two of my favorite firms out there. I think they're absolutely fantastic at what they do. I think they're very clear on their rules and their structure and everything that goes into that. So we're going to pull up their accounts here in just a little bit so you can see what kind of accounts we're going to be giving away. But we've got some 25K flexes this week from both Lucid and My Funded Futures. We have some 50Ks, both evals and pro accounts to give away this week. So our eval flex pro evals and 50K flex and 50K pros from Lucid to give away as well. Dude, we're giving away so many stinking accounts this week on this show. Smash that like button. Let's get the likes up. I think that I would be looking to go ahead and put one. I'm going to take one order here, short, one mini. I'm on NQ. I just went. You can see on my top step. Let me pull up. Do I have? Yeah, you can see it here. Okay, cool. We'll leave it right here. Getting short here on NQ 1 mini. I feel like, gosh, man, I got something stuck in my tooth again. I feel like we have filled the gap. And if I'm going to be wrong, that's okay. I have a little bit of, I've already got $1,000 of kind of house money, so to speak, in this account for the start of this session. So I have, and plus I still have the full $4,500 buffer on top of that. So we've got plenty of wiggle room here with just one mini. I think I would be looking for somewhere just back down near the bottom of this range. So somewhere around 262-ish. How do I set a limit order on? Oh, right there. Okay, just right click. Okay, right click. We'll buy one, and then we'll put it at like 262. It's about 40 points lower than where we are right now. That's what I'm going to go for. That's my first target. I like it. What were we talking about? This is a 150K top step combine, so it's an evaluation. I do have a My Funded Futures 50K rapid funded account, and then I have a Lucid 25K flex funded account and a Lucid 50K flex funded account. So I have 3 funded accounts right now and 1 evaluation. I typically keep it around 5 accounts total for me to manage. So typically I'm not going to have more than 5, sometimes up to 7. But 5 is kind of where I feel very comfortable right now, managing, rotating through different accounts one at a time throughout the day. So I don't typically like to have a less than, I typically don't have to have less than 2 or 3. So if I ever have less than that, I'm going to load up more evals to keep working on them and try to keep the funded accounts built up. So we're at 232 likes, guys. We got to get to at least 300 before we do our first of 5 account giveaways tonight. We got to get at least to 300. Yeah, Ecolike, this is just a discretionary trade for me right now. It's a gap fill and expecting some lower price action into the morning, like into the London session, that we come lower. I think we still make new highs this week. I just don't know that it's going to happen here in the Asia session. I don't know that we're just going to continue here. It makes sense to me that here at the beginning of the week, we try to drive lower. I think maybe even back down to the 29,200 area at least before we explore prices higher. And that's just completely a discretionary opinion based on where we are on the chart. Where did all my... Oh, I forgot I turned all the levels off. We've got a yellow down here. MHP, I think we could come back down and give MHP another test here on ES. And that area would line up with NQ reaching down to that 262 level, which is where my limit order is set right now. So gap fill on NQ. We could not fill the gap on ES. So I just would like to see some lower price action here to start the week. Again, not to say that I am turning away from an overall bearish bias, but more to say just I think we come back down and test some of these lows again. What platforms? So the platform on the Top Step, you have to use Top Step X if you're trading with Top Step. That's the only platform that you're allowed to use with them. It's one of the reasons that I've avoided them for so long is they make you use Top Step X, and Top Step X is just not a great. I think it's just limited and it's just clunky. They've had a lot of down issue, like it's been down a lot since from in November, December, and through the beginning of the year. They were having a lot of issues with downtime with Top Step X. So that's one reason that I've kind of avoided the Top Step, is because you have to do that. So the other accounts that I'm trading, I trade on Tradevate. So I'll just have a DOM open with whatever Tradevate account. So this is my funded futures Tradevate DOM. So it's got my 50K rapid funded account here. This is the Lucid Tradevate DOM. They're just I just have different versions of the web app, different instances of the web app open for each. So if it's Tradeify or Take Profit Trader, I always try to use Tradevate, just kind of keep it in the same universe of what I'm used to trading and the platform that I'm used to trading. So I do not trade copy. I did an experiment copy trading. Was it a week ago or 2 weeks ago on the stream? And it was going well until it wasn't, and then lost 5 accounts at once. And that I just decided, yeah, that's why I don't copy trade. I have tried TradeC with the My Funded Seat account. What's up, Shivax? TradeC is similar to TradingView, it looks similar to Top Step X and TradingView. They all kind of use the same bones and the same skeleton structure for the way their charting system works. So anybody take any trades tonight off of MHP? Did anybody grab that long off of ES, that ES tap of MHP here tonight? I mean, it was a beautiful rocket scooter level interaction here. Gap down, ran right down to it. Overshot just briefly, but never really close any kind of significance under there. Shot down, reclaimed it. Short retest, and then we just ripped up. You got on the charts too late for that. Duarte Machado, you got an MHP long. Let's go, baby. Should have gone heavier. Nice. Up 500 on it. Is there bearish monthly hedge pressure anywhere? I don't know what you mean by bearish monthly hedge pressure. Advanced happy birthday. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. You longed the MHB? Nice. 700? That's fantastic. The Mother's Day restaurant shift was too crazy. Got stuck there long. Yeah, that's all right. We did Mother's Day Saturday so that today we could just chill out and hang out. Oh, by the way, somebody wants to ask me. I can't wait because I have some news. I know somebody will ask me at some point. No. I mean, yes, that is a question that I get asked. It's not the only question I get asked. Rob Heitzman, I'm so glad you asked. I'm so glad you asked. My thoughts on gold are it is heavy. It's shiny. It's expensive. And my wife likes to wear it on her body, and she got some new shiny gold to wear for Mother's Day. So she got some extra little bling for Mother's Day. And it is pretty. And it is shiny. It's not super heavy, but it's okay. A new session high here for me would probably kill this, and I would just give up the profits that I've made already on this session here. New 15-minute candle just opened. Yeah, we're just chilling here. Really not a whole lot going on. I would just like to see a little bit of coming back down into the bottom of this range as we start the week. Put in a nice little lower wick daily candle, a lower wick for the weekly candle. Put it back in down here somewhere. Again, if you look at the daily chart, if we go up to the daily time frame, like we are just there's been absolutely zero relief at any point. Just no relief. Just massive gap ups. I mean, just huge positions and spots in the market that just remain, in my opinion, imbalanced. So I would prefer to see, I think you could, like 29,200, I think is kind of the bare minimum that we get to. I would love to see it get down to like 29,100 or 29,000. Maybe retest Thursdays, the high at Thursday. I don't know if you could get there this week or not, or even today. I would love to see 29,200 for near in and around a low of the day today. So I like the position I'm in right now. No wonder she fed me early tonight. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 25 more likes, guys. We'll do our first birthday week giveaway. 25 more likes. I always love the Friday show. The Friday show is one of my favorite because it's been a couple days away from the charts, away from the market, away from thinking about business and prop firms and all the things. And so when you come back, number one, it's good to see you. The Sunday show, the Monday show, the Sunday night show. What did I say? Monday? Well, I mean, what did I say? What did I say? Did I say Friday? Oh my gosh. It's been a long day. As you know, Sundays are the longest days of the week for me. I get up at 4:30. I almost overslept today. It's the old age. Friday show, we don't have a Friday show for me, sadly. Matt's a Neon show. It was great. The Friday Discord show I was there for. Tuned in for that a little bit. What was I saying? Oh yeah, Sundays. So I have to get up really stupid early on Sundays for the church job. I set my alarm for 4:30 in the morning. And yeah, Papa Les sent me a picture of him eating steak with cooked carrots on his or next to his steak yesterday. I immediately gagged. I could not. I was like, "Come on, man. You can't do it. Like, it's disgusting." I don't know if I still, maybe I deleted it. Where is it? Oh yeah, here it is. Papa Les eating steak with cooked carrots. That is absolutely disgusting. That is absolutely disgusting. Don't ever send me pictures of cooked carrots again. And like whole, like they were like full on whole carrots. They weren't even like chopped up into like, you know, butter pickle size carrots. They were like full on long, soft cooked carrots. No. Get away from me with that stuff. Get away from me. Papa Les looks more like Grandpa. He is a grandpa. What are you talking about? You didn't know Papa? That's why we call him Papa Les, because that's his grandpa name, Papa Les. That's what his grandkids call him. So anyway, I set my alarm for 4:30 a.m. on Sundays to get up, try to get ready and wake up. I gotta go by my office and pick up some things to take to one of the campuses that I'm at. And then I've got to go get the building open. The band is going to start showing up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. The tech guys get there to start turning everything on, sound checking, rehearsing, all that kind of stuff. And so I'm laying in bed, and I have my phone next to the bed with the alarm set, and I right before I go to bed, I always check the alarm, and I check the alarm tone so that I know what it sounds like. So that it, like, when I hear it in my subconscious sleep, like I'm immediately waking up. And I am dead. Like, I actually went to bed late. My daughter was in town for Mother's Day weekend, so we were hanging out late, talking up till like 11:30, which is typically way past when I go to bed on Saturday night because I have to get up so stupid early on Sunday. So I'm laying in bed, and at some point, one of my golden doodles, our big golden doodle Maggie, comes into the bedroom, and she's like wagging her tail, and she's huge. She weighs like 120 pounds. She's tall and just massive. And her tail is beating against the bed, and it wakes me up. And I kind of like lean over, and her face is like, she's tall, so her face is like literally at mattress height right next to mine, and she's like puffing in my face. And so I reach over and I pet her, and I just kind of scratch her back for a minute, and she's just kind of wiggling against the bed, and then she leaves. And Lady Darb reaches over and she starts patting me. And typically, the other golden doodle, when one of them comes in, they both come in, and one of them, Remy, the brown one, wants to get up on the bed at some point in the night. And so Coach Greg says, set your alarm to order filled. That's actually not a bad idea. Actually, that's not a bad idea. So I thought she was patting my chest, and I thought she was trying to get Remy's attention to jump up on the bed. And I had just reached over and was petting Maggie, and I was trying to get Maggie to like go away. And because I was tired, I was like, why are you in here? Like, do you need to go to the bathroom? Do I need to get up and let you to go outside? You know, whatever. And so Maggie leaves, and then Lady Darb reaches over and starts patting my chest. And so I shove her hand off of me like, what are you doing? The dog's gone. It's not going to get on the bed. And she taps me again, and I shove her hand away again. And then so she rolls over. And I don't know how much time goes by, but at some point after that, she's like right in my face, and she's like, are you going to get up? And that's when I realized that she was trying to wake me up the whole time because my alarm had been going off, and I didn't hear it at all. It had been going off for like almost 15 minutes. And that's why Maggie heard it, and it had been going off, and Maggie came in to try to wake me up because she's heard the alarm going off. And then Lady Darb was reaching over trying to wake me up, and I was just dead to the world. And so I was late, get up, run into the bathroom. I'm like trying, get dressed, throw my contacts in, fix my hair. Do I have my belt on? Are these the clean clothes I laid out, or did I grab something gross, So had to bolt out, run to the car. Like I'm like 20 minutes behind, almost 30 minutes behind schedule all morning. Ended up getting there. It all worked out. It was fine. But I didn't get a nap today because my daughter was still here all afternoon hanging out before she left. So we were hanging out with her all afternoon. So I have been up since not quite 4:30, about 4:47 because I slept through my initial alarm. So my brain isn't really working great right now. It's a little foggy. It's a little tired. I'm going on 14 hours of being up without getting a nap or anything. And for anybody that's half a centurion, that doesn't go well. I'm tired. I like it. First code word of the night. Overslept. Overslept. First code word of the night. Let's get it going. Let's do our first giveaway of birthday week right now. Let's get it up. We're going to do a Lucid 25K flex evaluation right now. Type overslept into the chat. The bot is on. It's capturing all of your messages. This is account 1 of 51. Account 1 of 51 we're giving away. Let me tell you about Lucid. Shall we? Shall we just take a little gander at Lucid and the 25K flex evals? Let me go to account. 25K Pro, 25K Flex. Here it is. Look at the 25K Flex. It is a 8.0, which is, it says average. It's a really good account. Simplicity, super easy to pass. It's 2 days to pass, 50% consistency. Return on investment is infinite for you because you're about to win a free account. The first 4 purchases, or first 5 purchases, you get 40% off. So you can get these 25K accounts for $60. It's $1,000 drawdown, $1,250 profit target, 50% consistency, so $625 across 2 days. You know, in for any one day. That's your biggest account. Once you're funded. You know, I kind of wish that these were hyperlinked, that you could click on them and go to a full account page on just that. Maybe I need to put that in the wish list. If you go to minimum first payout, the Lucid 25K Flex jumps up in its score to 8.1. If you go to max monthly, it drops because you can only get $1,000 max payout. But let me remind you, it's not the size of the account, it's what you can do with it. Am I right? Am I right? It's not the size of the account that matters, it's what you can do with it. And these 25K accounts, all but one of these payouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 of the 12 payouts have all come off of the 25K Flex accounts. Love them. Absolutely smashing them. Yes, you can scalp. You can scalp any of the Flex and Pro accounts. Great accounts. Great accounts. I love Lucid. They pay out extremely fast. About to come into the new hour here, guys. We got 30 seconds. Tokyo's about to come online. So we'll see what kind of volatility or push we can get in any direction here in the next 25 seconds. It's not the size of the account. It's how you handle the candles. That's right, baby. There it is. There's the new hour turnover. Get a little bit of a short pop up there. Where's my trading view? Let me go back over here. Oh, man. My eyes are so dry. I've had these contacts in since 4:47 this morning. I feel like I'm blinking with sandpaper in my eyes right now. I'd like to see some sellers step in right about these levels here. See if we can't send this thing back underneath these this lower low. All right, how many we got? 330? How many people we got watching? 600? I'll give you one more minute. Overslept is the keyword. We're giving away a 25K Flex account. This is account number 1 of 51 that we're giving away tonight. Account 1 of 51 that we're giving away. We're not giving away 51 accounts tonight. We're giving away 5 accounts tonight. But we're giving away 51 accounts over the course of the week because it's my birthday week. Wednesday is my birthday. We're going to give 5 accounts Monday night, Tuesday night. Well, Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night. Wednesday night, we will be giving away 31 accounts. I don't even know how we're going to do that. We're just going to be spinning the wheel like every 10 minutes for 4 hours. I don't even know that we'll get them all in. That's only, yeah, I guess we could get them in if we did it every 10 minutes. right? 6. Well, no, we wouldn't be. You could get 6 spins an hour. 4 hours, 24. We'd have to do more than one every 10 minutes. It's going to be nuts. We'll probably just have one keyword, and you can just type it all night long in the chat. I mean, once you're in, and we'll just keep grabbing the new names. All right, you got 20 more seconds, guys, to enter, and then we're going to get the wheel of names up here. Here we go. Wheel of names is up. I'm going to give you 12, 11, 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're done. All right. No more entries. The bot is turned off. I got all the names right here. 376 people all have registered in for the first account giveaway of the night. We're giving away a 25K Lucid Flex account right now. Congratulations. We're spinning the wheel. Here we go. Winner number 1 for birthday week. Winner number 1. Market Maker. Let's go. Congratulations, Market Maker. Type something in chat. You just won. You kicked us off. Lucid 25K Flex account. There he is. I see you. All right. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Lucid 25K Flex. You are winner number 1. You have been entered into the winner's circle. To claim your prize, you are going to go to the Prop Score Discord. Oh, I forgot to put the pinned message up today. You're going to go to Prop Score Discord. You can find the link to Prop Score Discord in the description of the video below. Go to the Claim Your Win channel in Prop Score Discord, and there you will be able to find how to claim your prize. You're going to need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Looks like this thing just has, but we're just back to exactly where we left off, of just completely ripping to new highs, back to no chill, all gas, no brakes. That was the first of 5 accounts to give away tonight. So we have 4 more accounts to give away. Let's get to next stop. Let's do 450. I think we can get to 450. 450 likes. That'll be the next one. 1 hour into the show. I don't have any levels up here to work with beyond just the all-time highs. ES just is not showing the same willingness to continue to drive the way NQ is just showing a willingness to continue to drive here. I don't know, man. Something feels weird about how much more is it's another 33 points. Lucid is only a futures, yeah. Lucid is a futures prop firm. Michael Peter Ryder. Something just feels weird about this drive up. I don't know what it is. Papa win. You did not win, Papa Les. No. I know it's Tokyo. I know it's a Tokyo pump here. Trying to. All right, I'm gonna kill that. Down $300 on the night for this account. That's not bad. I'm happy with that. There's just something that feels. It feels off to me about that, but. I'm gonna flip back over here to Trading View so I can see where my levels are at here. I think what feels weird is just the way ES is completely dead, while NQ is just ripping. It just feels off to me. Feels off to me. It's like if ES is going to fill, so I'm just trying to process in my head. If ES is going to try to fill this gap up here, obviously it's going to push NQ even higher, which would obviously put it to all-time highs yet once again. But ES is just not, and it's just being held down here pretty. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill right now. I obviously you could always just click the buy button in this market, and you're probably gonna be right. Oil holding, yeah. Apparently, there's reporting over the weekend that Putin said that their war is coming near the end. What's the name of the streamer? I don't know. Oh, my name is Brad. By the way, thank you. I see a lot of new people in chat tonight. I'm not sure where all of the new people are coming from, but welcome to the show. I see a lot of new names popping up in chat. What's up, Brian Jefferson? How are you? Blame you, Papa Les? Papa Les, you brought some people with you tonight? Free accounts? Yeah. Home Daddy, what's up, man? Love the vibes here. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Liquidity operator, you're new. Cool. Hey, Lucas Krug, you're off to bed. Took the MHP call. Nice, bro. Good job. Me too. Passed a My Funded Rapid tonight off of that same move. So you can go tuck yourself, buddy. Sorry you can't stay for the tuck in late, but we'll see you tomorrow. 51 account giveaway. We'll get a lot of new people in the stream. Yeah. Brad. Yeah, BRAD. If you want to tag you, which handle to use, you can tag Rocket Scooter AI. I'm watching Rocket Scooter AI chat from the YouTube, so if you tag Rocket Scooter AI, I'll see anything. It'll light up, and that's what I'm paying attention to. I'm not watching my own personal YouTube tag. What's up, Skeletor? No, my last name is not Darb. No, it's okay, man. I need to put my name at the bottom of the screen so people know I'm not Matt. Can you see the executions you took on New York session? I don't believe you make money on New York session. I don't have those executions because it resets those accounts. Who do you think takes the trades on my New York session if it's not me? You think somebody else is trading my accounts and I'm taking payouts that aren't mine? That'd be cool. All right, ES. God, ES is just has not been able to push up and find any momentum here, and NQ is just on fire. I get very sus vibes about that. Oil gapping up. So we had a big gap up in oil here, and it's just been drifting higher pretty much the entire trading session. It's starting to get a little bit of a pullback here off of haven't made a session high from the gap up. Oh, let me get my God, my brain is so tired right now. It has been such a long day. I'm sorry, y'all. I forgot to put the pinned message in there about the Ninja Trader Cup. Ninja Trader Cup is coming. The Ninja Trader Arena, and it is a free tournament. They call him the Rocket Scooter Reaper. Join Ninja Trader Arena tournament. I can't type either, my brain. $250,000 in cash prizes, free to join. This is something that if you haven't yet signed up, if you would please go sign up for the Ninja Trader Cup or Arena Cup. I don't know if it's a cup or arena tournament or whatever it's called. We're trying to get as many prop score / rocket scooter traders into the Arena Cup trade that we can. We're trying to really build up our partnership with Ninja Trader because we're about to put all of the rocket scooter tool platforms, we're trying to put inside natively. Well, they're about to be inside natively available the Ninja Trader platform. So you'll be able to trade all of your prop firms on Ninja Trader with rocket scooter levels natively available, resilience, DD bands, liquidity pockets, arbitrage, liquidity maps, monthly maps. All of it will be inside of Ninja Trader. So we're really trying to increase our partnership with them as much as we can, and a lot of that is done through us just bringing as many people as we can to the actual tournament. It's a one-day tournament. They have 3 qualifying heats, so to speak, like a race. There's 3 different rounds. And it's an 8-hour one-day trading tournament for each qualifying heat. So you trade for 8 hours. The top, I don't know, like 1,000 people from each heat advance to the finals. Winners of the heat actually win cash prizes. The overall winner of the entire tournament wins $1,000. I mean, gosh, $100,000. On top of that, if you register for the Ninja Trader tournament and you go into the Prop Score Discord and show us that you've registered, you will be entered into the Prop Score rankings of all of our traders that are in the tournament. All of the traders that are in the tournament are going to get the top 10 people. How can I? My brain is not working. The top 10 traders from Rocket Scooter / Prop Score, no matter where they finish, will win prizes. So whoever the best Rocket Scooter trader is in the tournament, they'll win 10 free prop accounts plus a lifetime membership to Rocket Scooter. Second place will win, I don't know, 5 accounts or 4 accounts or whatever it is, all the way down to 10th place will win free prop accounts. So even if you don't win anything from Ninja Trader itself, you can just win free accounts and potentially a lifetime Rocket Scooter account just by trading against your other Rocket Scooter traders. So make sure you take take advantage of that. John Guan says, hey, Brad, you mentioned before you traded with Funded Next 25K legacy account. Can you share how you traded with it? I did the rapid accounts with Funded Next, the 25K rapid accounts. Let me see if I can, let me pull up my Funded Next. I just don't know. I can't remember what information that shows on the screen there. So hold on. Yeah, it's got my name up there. But here's my. There's 2 pages of $800 payouts. Let me see if I can. The total. So I made over $10,000 total with the Funded Next rapid accounts. Let's see if I can take a screenshot of this. There's page 1, and then page 2 has that amount. There's those 2. So let me get this down. So what was that? Okay, here's just a screenshot of the dispersed payments. That's 1, and then there's another one right here. That was page 2. So, but over $10,000 in payouts from the Funded Next rapid accounts. That I got right there. Had a little pullback, but nothing significant there. ES still not able to pop through those highs and push and try to close the gap. NQ looks like it's reaching for the previous day high here still. So Scoot. Every show, man. You keep trying. You keep trying to get us the name. I know it's so misleading. Did you participate in more than one heat in case first one doesn't go your way? I don't know. Magnificent answer. I'm not sure. That's a good question. I'm not super familiar with the rules. I think you can only enter one heat at a time, but I'm not sure if you can re-enter another heat if there's still seats available. Like, let's say you trade in the first heat and you don't advance. If there's seats still available in heat number 2 and 3, I don't know if you can re-register. One heat, one chance per trader. Okay, so that's it. Kyle just answered it. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, Kyle. This just feels super sus to me with ES not being able to push. If ES starts pushing higher, then I'm like, okay, well then maybe this is legit. But when ES is just not moving and NQ is just pumping, they're out of sync with each other. And I just don't trust. I don't trust either one of them. I don't know who's lying to me. At this point, I don't know who's lying. Is NQ lying or is ES lying? You say, no, I don't, not every show. I think every show that I've been in the chat and I've seen you in there, you have said that the show's got to change its name. NQ is always the liar. NQ is a lying, cheating SOB, man. NQ's the only one to close the gap out of NQ, ESYM, and RT. Yep. It's really just feels very sus to me, guys. I don't know. I'm just telling you. It's just my little spidey senses here, just like, what's going on? If in doubt, buy. That's the right thing to do. Buy the strong and sell the weak. Yeah, I can't hedge though. I can't hedge against. I can't hedge against the same pair. Well, not the same pair, but correlated pairs. Right. It's not a hedge at all unless you're trading with a prop firm. And then they call it a hedge. Lucid lets you long NQ and short ES. Do they really? It's allowed on Top Step. Okay, cool. Good to know. Good to know. See, this is why chat is so amazing, because you guys teach me something new every day. Straight E got fed up with the scoot thing. Same account, not different accounts. Okay, so I can long NQ and short ES on the same Top Step account. Interesting. Okay, good to know. Who wants to see what? A dashboard of what? My Top Step? Let me look. This is a brand new, this 150K account I just started on Friday. So there's only one, you're only going to see one day of calendar. Where is the, I'm unfamiliar with, I can't, it has my full name on the screen and I can't pull it off. So I gotta be able to, where do I see the calendar on Top Step, by the way? I see the dashboard, but I don't see like the monthly calendar. Where is that? Anybody know? Performance stats icon on the left. Okay. Performance stats icon. I don't see it. I see a performance tracker, win rate, average winning trade, average losing trade. Oh. It's the fourth icon on Top Step X. Okay. Oh, over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's TV. Settings. Performance stats. Is it gonna pull up my name if I click on this button? Here, let me. I don't know what it's gonna do. So before I do that, let me just. Is my name anywhere on there? Okay, I don't think my name is in. I'm very unfamiliar with the Top Step dashboard. That's why forgive me, guys. I just want to make sure I'm not putting any personal information out there. So I'm not trying to do anything shady back here. All right. Here is the Top Step performance stats on the new 150K account. Total P&L, 450, 40% win rate, average win-loss. What else do you want to see? Best trade was $2,200. Worst trade was $227. There's the day. 10 trades, $4,500 on Friday. Is that what you wanted to see? Is that what you want to see? Is that it? And then the trade tonight. 341 trades, 3 trades, 341 tonight. That's the calendar. Yeah. That's what somebody was asking for. It looks sketchy. It looks sketchy. Yeah, maybe. All right. Somebody was like, show us your Top Step dashboard. I was like, well, I just bought it on Friday, so your name isn't really Brad. Oh my gosh. Got ya. Gotcha. ES took out its high, but immediately started rejecting back down. NQ, all-time highs, rejecting back down. He wants to see your feet. Go see hairy toes. He just doesn't believe your trades. I know. Yeah, I cut my losers short and I let my winners run. That's why the average losing trade was $200 and the average winning trade was $1,200 or $2,000, whatever. Beto's been here a lot. We were giving Beto crap last week, remember? He was spamming some message in the chat about going and tickling somebody's feet or something in Houston. I don't know. What's up, Master? All right, you're rigged? Yeah, let's go. All right, 400. I said 450 for the next giveaway. I'm sticking to my guns. We still have 4 more accounts to give away.
That shit green on the screen.
I think people just assume.
Payouts to wins.
Here's the crazy thing that I've learned about streaming. I can hide my account name. I was wondering, go to preferences. Okay, cool. Let me
Envy in their eyes like I hacked the
preferences is in the top step dashboard.
The truth. 9 years in the
I show my executions all the time, my friend. I show executions literally on when I'm on the stream, you see every execution that I make.
This is blood on the token.
Here's what I've learned about streaming. People think that you're only allowed, if you're streaming as a trader, that you are only allowed to trade if you are on the stream. So I don't understand, like, this is literally I've logged into my Lucid Trading dashboard. This is, like, I don't understand what is difficult to understand about the calendar that you see in front of you. How you lose on stream and win off stream. Bro, how long have you been watching? There were weeks that I'd never lost on stream. There were literal weeks that I'd never had. Oh, I like feeding the trolls. I know. This is the last time. I won't acknowledge him anymore if he keeps giving me crap about it. He was cool last week. But yeah, like I don't understand. This is just so consistent. Like if am I not allowed to trade off the stream? I don't know. You trade without us? I know. Can you believe it? Well, I have been very open and honest about my journey to become a full-time day trader. I am not a full-time day trader. I have a full-time job that I trade, and I have to trade while I'm at work. There is literally no way. Yeah. How dare you make money without showing everyone? I know. It's all right. You lose. I lose every time you watch, and I win off the stream. Trading is weird, man. Like, I can't control when I'm going to win and when I'm going to lose. I have said, hey, Beto, this is what I will say, and I think I've said this many, many times on the stream. I have said this very clearly many times. When I trade the Asia session, I do not have a very strong edge in the Asia session. There are many times when I am nowhere near a high volume pivot for Rocket Scooter. Tonight, we had a high volume pivot at MHP. And if you were here at the beginning of the stream, go rewind. If you logged on, you would have seen I made $1,500 on a 50K rapid eval to pass that evaluation, and I upgraded it live on the stream at the start of the show. Because we were at a very high volume pivot with extreme accuracy. I would take that trade every single time. most of the time in the last, at least the last 2 weeks, there have been 0 rocket scooter levels in the Asia session to work with. And I have made a decision, my personal decision is that when I'm trading the Asia session, if I'm not near a rocket scooter level, I will still look for an opportunity to take a trade based on just my own personal discretion from trading history. And I have been very clear, number one, don't copy trade me. Number two, that edge is not as strong as the edge that I have when I'm trading rocket scooter in the New York session. And I have told you guys many, many times, I don't trade my funded accounts in the Asia session specifically because I don't have as strong of an edge in the Asia session as I do in the New York session. That's just the way it is. So there are times when I am going to be locked in and lined up with the Asia market and flowing and in the flow with it, and it's going to be great. And there was probably 3 weeks where I didn't lose a trade. There were weeks when I would make, I think our best night was like $2,500 across 5 accounts in one night. It was fantastic. I think our one night we made like $2,000. Another night we made like $2,500. Like, there's just going to be times when I'm not going to be able to just be locked in on the Asia session. And that's cool. Like, there's no problem with that. ES finally starting to push up here. Might be, is it worth taking a ES stab to fill the gap here? Let me go back over here to this account. Do I ES maybe? Boop, boop, boop. I don't want, where's my, there's this down. There we go. That would be, where are we at? 11 to 20, about 10 points. So I want to risk $500 more. We break that low. Put a buy limit right there. See if we can get a fill at 74.10 and 50, 74.10 and a half there. And then see if we can get that gap fill on ES. While I'm watching that, oil is still trying. Oil keeps trying to push higher here. I don't have my, I forgot to, y'all, my brain is just, we need 20 more likes, guys. We need 20 more people to smash that like button. We still have 4 accounts to give away tonight. We got to get to 450 to start. Nothing has hit the wire here. Not even MHP for the funded one. So yes and no, but I was just trying, I was focused on, I'm not gonna enter on multiple accounts at one position. I'm gonna rotate in. So if I got a second MHP test EVA trades, then I would take it on a new account. So that first MHP test was the one trade that I took to pass that My Funded Futures Rapid account tonight. And I didn't get a secondary approach. I got it here and made my money, and there was never a secondary approach to rotate to a new account from this level. But not with funded ones. I don't want to say never. I just typically don't. I typically don't want to put my funded accounts at risk in the session where I know my edge is weaker. That's just not a very wise thing to do. I don't know. Ask your mom. Oh. Yeah, I did. Every Sunday. Every Sunday. You've seen Neon take 2 trades in all the shows? Yeah. Neon is extremely patient and extremely picky. So I also understand, like I'm streaming. This is a streaming show, and I'm not going to. I'm going to see if I can identify a trade setup that makes sense based on what's happening with technicals and price action. If I'm not anywhere around a rocket scooter level, there are other ways and other avenues with which I have at my disposal to decide when to push the button and when not to. Coming back in to retest those all-time highs.
Yeah. Scooter hums on an opening bell. Half gap flash ain't ringing that cell. Risk interval tight, 1 tick at a time. Consistency rule, I'm walking the line. Balls on calling. Liquidity pocket.
It's easy to be patient and picky when you have money already. I don't think it's the best approach when streaming. He can slumpy play per trade. Yeah, so my approach to streaming is I understand that this is as much about entertainment as much as it is about trying to I want to demonstrate rocket scooter levels as best as I can. And so when they're available, I'm going to teach to that. I'm going to talk about my process. I'm going to talk about my journey. I'm going to talk about anything trading related I can, but I am not shy to put on a trade, especially for evals. Like I am definitely not shy to put on a trade for an evaluation. And I think if anything, my consistency overall speaks for itself. And while the last probably week and a half has been very choppy for me in the Asia session, I don't really care what happens to my evals in the Asia session. And I don't mean that in any kind of flippant way, but I mean it in a way of saying, like, I'm more focused on protecting my funded accounts and getting them to payouts than I am about, like, this is secondary to the way I trade in the New York session. I don't know how else to say that. I'm not over trading. I'm not just going to take a trade because there's a trade to put on. Like, I'm going to take it at a good level that makes sense and that I can frame a good trade, a good risk reward around. So, believe me, I just go home after the show's over and I just cry myself. I just print this out and I just put this on my pillow and I just cry myself to sleep. That's all I do. So, it's fine. Anybody can jump in the chat and say anything they want. I just have this printed out and I just lay it on my pillow and I sleep peacefully. I sleep peacefully.
Same trade, same edge, yeah. It's party time.
I learned from the best, Kyle. I learned from the best. Hey, 476 likes. That's what I'm talking about, gang. See? Ask and you shall receive. Ask and you shall receive. Giveaway number 2 is lined up and ready to drop. Let's go. What keyword should we use tonight? I know. Here's the keyword. Here's the keyword. There you go. Type it in. Because he can't. Type it in. Today's a good day. I'm tired, and I don't have time for games. He can't enter. He's not allowed to enter. Sadly, he lost his chance.
Today's a good day. Prophet set tight, feet up, chilling under moonlight. No more fear,
I'll give him a rocket scooter boot camp though, if he wants one.
Today's a good day, me can feel it. Sky so blue, me wanna steal it. The wind in my face, worries fade away. Today's a good day, yeah. Today's a good day. Today's a good day, yeah. Rocket scooter, all good day. Oh, today's a good day. Yeah.
What are we doing over here?
Oh, today's a good day. Trapped in a cage, the 9 to 5 to wait. Prop for my freedom, I'm sealing my fate. Rocket scooters call a light in the fray. Heart pounding hard, I'm breaking away.
One day out shivers, one day's a war. A steady beat rises from the floor. Soul on fire, I feel the surge grow. Step by step, where the wild winds blow.
One step at a time, my heart's aflame. Rocket scooter guides, I claim my name.
Dreams ignite, my spirit takes flight.
One step at a time.
I own the night.
Shots crackle, a lava rhythm in my veins. Every move's a pulse, breaking the chains. Steady on the path, I trust the flow. One step closer, where dreams overflow.
One payout shivers, one day's a war. A steady beat rises from the floor. Soul on fire, I feel the surge grow. Step by step, where the wild winds blow.
One step at a time, my heart's aflame. Rocket scooter guides, I claim my name.
Dreams ignite, my spirit takes flight.
One step at a time.
I own the night.
No chains can bind, I'm forging my soul.
From the grind to glory, I take control.
Rocket scooters fire, my spirit's unbound. One step at a time, one step at a time, I'm heavenward bound. One step at a time, my heart's aflame. Rocket scooter guides, I claim my name.
Dreams ignite, my spirit takes flight.
One step at a time.
I own the night. One step, one trade, one payout's time, I'm forevermore.
Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Yeah, I wanted to stop. Man, I hate feeling. I hate the feeling when my brain is just not clicking in like full gear. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's like even just forming cohesive sentences for me right now is like such a struggle. You posted a new song? Oh, cool. All right. How do you do it, Dan? What's the best way? I'm still trying to get used to the Top Step X platform and how to get in and out of orders fast. Cancel your sell orders, and then you can click and drag the order for the top. Set us like this. Oh, I can. Okay, so I can see what I'm. Ah, okay. Nice. Oh, okay. I see you, Top Step. I see you, Top Step. There you go. Thank you, Dan. That's cool. I like it. All right. It's over. No more entries. Bot is turned off. No more entries. Here we go. Shuffling it up. We're giving away account number 2 is a second Lucid 25K. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we've given away one. We've got one more after this. So this one is a Lucid 25K Flex. That's what we're doing. Lucid 25K Flex account. Shuffling up the names. Here we go. Good luck, my friends. Account number 2 on birthday week. Here we go. Winner is See No Hear No. That's a cool name. I like that. See No Hear No. Type something in chat. Congratulations, you just won a Lucid 25K Flex account. See No Hear No. Oh, it'll add. So if I DCA in or add to it okay, cool. Dude, that's nice to know, Dan. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. See No Hear No. There he is. Okay, I see you. I saw it. I was just a little late. My eyes are slow. Congratulations. You just won a Lucid 25K Flex account. Thank you, Lucid, for giving us these accounts to give away on my birthday week. Thank you to Prop Score. Brad's stream. You've been entered into the winner's circle. To claim your prize, you're going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link to the Prop Score Discord inside of the description of this video that you're watching. Go into the Prop Score Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. You're going to need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Yeah, and there's directions in there on exactly what you need to do to claim your prize. So good luck with that account. Hope you like it. Let me know. Come back and tell me how it's going. Look at this freaking market, dude. I told you I felt sus about this whole freaking move up. See, this is the psychology part. This is the psychological part of trading. When you're like, oh, well, the market's just going to go up. All you got to do is click buy. That's all you got to do is just click buy. And now we're just in this massive sell-off out of, like, we grabbed all-time highs, and now it's just a waterfall collapse. And it's like, I was short here, and I told you this whole way up, I'm like, this feels sus to me. This feels sus to me. I don't know. And everybody's, just click buy. What are you doing? Why are you shorting all-time highs? Why are you shorting all-time highs? It's absolutely insane to me. Like, it's so frustrating. Just click buy. There's no news. Financial juice is quiet. Nothing on the markets. Financial juice is absolutely quiet. And I pay for the instantaneous feed. Like, if it was there, it would come out. It's just it's one of those things that just is extremely frustrating to try to engage with. What a just massive just cluster, man. Absolute just massive cluster. Oil's pumping right back up to last week's. This is the bottom of last week's opening range gap. Back up to 99, almost $100 a barrel there. It just completely fell off. It's like where. So here's what goes on in my head. Well, you guys probably all experience the same thing. You know that the market has been extremely bullish. You know that you've been waiting for pullbacks to buy. And in your head, you convince yourself that every time you click the buy button, it's going to go the opposite direction. And that's the time when the market's going to go short. When you decide to go buy. Because you've decided to buy. And that's the messed up part of mentally trading, that you think the market is like out to get you, and it's like out to screw you over, and it's out to just totally wreck your trading account specifically because you decided it was time to go long or it was time to go short, whatever it is. Right back at open. Does this thing recover from here? This is the trade that I was in, by the way. If you remember, I was in short. Where was it? Yeah, it was right. It was right in here. It was like 29,300 is where I was short from. And I was targeting 62, if you'll remember. 62 was my target on this. The original short that I was in on the NQ, I had a limit order at 62 before I killed it. And I was, the whole way up, I was like, yeah, this feels sus. This feels sus. And that's the way trading goes. You can confirm that feeling? Yeah. Yeah.
I was blind to the rhythm, chasing every flame, dreaming on borrowed.
It happens to all of us. Yeah, I mean, this is why I trade evals during the Asia session, y'all. Because if these were funded accounts that I was losing on, it would mess with me more than just trading the evaluations that I trade. So next question is do we give MHP another try here if we can get down to it on ES? That felt good to this old bear. I bet it did, man. I bet it did. That was that's where I wanted to catch that. I was just in early, man. I just got in early. It swept the previous day high, previous week high, and now we just sold off right back down. Yep, there was no volume. It was the whole, yeah, it was super choppy in there. Good job on catching that short. Good job on catching that short, guys. Question from me becomes, do I want to, do I hit MHP again? No news. Nope. There's no news there, guys. That's just markets. That's just a market reaction to, for NQ specifically. To me, this would be like it takes out previous day high, previous week high, and sellers step in. Free Beto. No. Where are we at? 500 likes, almost 800 people watching the show. We still have 3 accounts to give away. We have 1 more Lucid 25K Flex eval, and we have 2 My Funded Future 25K Flex evals to give away tonight. 2 more. We are currently down $845 on this 150K account for this Top Step Combine. Would I be willing to take any other trade? The only other trade on my plate at this point, where based on where we're at on the charts, is monthly hedge pressure down here. Swung and missed 2 in a row on that Top Step Combine. Thankfully, only down $845 on that. So MHP would be the only other place that I would be interested in trying to take another stab on that account. I do have my brand new My Funded Futures Rapid account with the intraday trailing drawdown. We talked a little bit about how I want to approach this account with intraday trailing drawdown. Don't piss off the Farkas. What the Farkas, man? Don't make Papa Les angry. Don't make Papa Les angry. New hour just rolled over. Last hour was... what a sell-off heading into that last 5 minutes of that last hour there. Me too, Jake. The intraday trailing drawdown accounts, number one, I don't like them because they're the most predatory practice that a prop firm can put on top of a trader to intentionally get them to fail very quickly, even if they never lose one trade. They could never lose a trade. They could have a 100% win rate and blow the account. And it's so stinking frustrating. Oh, Keith, you got a new song, baby? Somebody else had a new song too. I haven't been in the song submission channel yet. Let me go look at it. Let me go over here. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. I see one from 98 SR20 deck called Rigged. I see one from Papa Les. Hey, Papa Les, is that an AI track or is that an actual, like, one of your songs? Because I can only play it if it's AI. It's AI. Okay, cool. We got a Papa Les track. Another one called All Time Highs from 98 SR20. Keith, where's your song? What's yours called? I don't see it. I don't see it in the Prop Score song submission channel anywhere. I want to listen to. Oh, Jake literally just put one in. I want to listen to this one called Rigged.
Another prop score giveaway. Another evaluation account. Whole chat already saying. Kick raising. Chat moving fast. Everybody spamming. Pick me, bro. Spin it, bro. Whole prop score chat
Yeah, put it in the prop. We've moved all the song submission over to Prop Score Discord. Everything is in the Prop Score Discord now. Song submission.
Newsweek, take your stop, then fly away. Somebody sold the top before the fake. Market move the other way. Still we show up anyway.
P&L song? Yeah, we can whip it out. We'll whip it out in just a second. Hump Daddy, you go to AI and you write your song, and then you can go to Prop Score Discord, and there's a song submission channel, and you just put the MP3 inside the song submission channel. Slap that short. Nice. Man, everybody's slapping songs in there. Good Lord. Keith's got a new one. Slow Jams. I'm Just a Trader. Kyle's got one. Logic sold separately. Breaking Benjamin. Oh, that's cool. We'll listen to that song.
Newsweek, take your stop, then fly away. Somebody sold the top before the fake. Market move the other way. Still we show up anyway.
Hold tight, yeah, let's spin again. We roll. Nobody even counted 10.
Put a 7,400. So, 5. Good job. I like it. Man, geez, God, you guys keep dropping names in there. Somebody asked for the if we could whip it out. If we could whip it out. A bunch of you made money on that sell-off. A bunch of you made some money on that sell-off. A lot of you were short from all-time highs up there. Good job. Whip it out.
Let's see your birth certificate too. Yeah, whip it out. Let's see that P&L. Oh yeah, nice curve.
321 on the new next gen. Nice. 563 in 3 seconds. 5 minis. Oh my gosh. I should have held my sell. I should have held my original short. I wanted to, but
Look at the curve. Let's see that bank account. Show me that account. Let's see that P&L too. Yeah, show that thing. Let's see your bank account. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice curve. Oh yeah. Show me your P&L.
M&Q destroyed you, dude. It's it's been very, very hard to get to decide the mental decisions. The decision fatigue is real, and I don't really have decision fatigue today. I just have, probably more than anything, I just have mental fatigue overall because I'm tired and it's been a freaking long day. Good job on the P&L song. Is that a Mike Hawksmall? Is that a Mike Hawksmall thing? I think that's a Mike Hawksmall song, isn't it? Mike always has great songs. Let's go back to the song submission channel. Keith put a song in there called Slow Jams, I'm Just a Trader. Let's see, 533. We have 2 hours left in the show. We still have 3 accounts to give away. Huh. We have a Lucid 25K and 2 My Funded Future 25K Flex accounts to give away tonight.
When the pressure starts climbing, you calm my pace. When the numbers start dancing, I still see your face.
540 people right now.
Let me land in your arms, 'cause the market can move me, but you pull me calm. I'm just a trader. But I'm yours tonight. I'm just a trader.
What the heck?
Hold you tight, lucid in the morning. Funded by your light. I'm just a trader, baby.
That's crazy. You bet drops. She's probably watching the stream and probably reading chat, but I'll definitely pass your message around to her. I'll let her know you said Happy Mother's Day. I know all of her kids talked to her and loved on her, and we got yesterday we had a really nice breakfast with all of the kids that are close and in town. It was super sweet. We had a great time. And then last night we took her mom and dad live close to us, and we took her mom and dad out to eat. And that was a great time. And it's been a really good weekend, man. It's been a really good day just to celebrate, you know, all those moms in our lives. I got to talk to my mom today. I talked to my mom for about 45 minutes today, and it's, you know, you just forget, like, and I love my mama. She's fantastic. I just haven't talked to her in a while, and you just forget. You're like, oh my gosh, like, I gotta call my mom more. I gotta talk to my mama more, because that woman is gold, and I love hearing her voice, and I love hearing how her day went. I love, you know, it sucks that we live 5 hours away from each other. I don't get to see her all the time. Your mom lives next door? That's cool. This is quite the slow jam here. Oil is selling off here after reaching up back into that previous week's opening range gap here. Starting to sell off a little bit. ES finding a little legs on that sell-off there. You need to go hug Carlos' mom when you hear this music. That song is that song is like a late night, like, you know, we're chilling with the lady, and it's not one that gets you like really pumped up, you know. Bias for today is choppy. Just honestly, the bias for today is just fade Brad. That's it. Just fade Brad tonight. That's all you got to do. I am here to point you in the right direction. So if I go short, you should go long. Logic sold separately. Let me grab it. Here we go. Oh, this is the Breaking Benjamin soon. Yeah. This is the complete opposite of Keith's song. Maybe it'll get my trade going.
Screen glow, coffee gone cold, perfect notes in a crumpled notebook. Every level, every line laid out, then the floor moves sideways on the open. Click by, blink twice, price gone, tag ripped out before it's even worn. They sell the rumor and the lie and the shrug. I'm stuck holding what the number said was right.
Oh. I like it, dude. This is a cool vibe. What is this guy doing, man? That was way better. That's way better energy. That's the kind of energy we're looking for in the song submission channel right there. You can't find the claim channel? See no, hear no? Prop score. Claim your win. Right there. It's in the giveaways section on the prop score Discord. Claim your win. Boom shakalaka. Make sure you're in the prop score Discord. Not Rocket Scooter. Prop score. I hope everybody's having fun fading Brad tonight. Because Brad's not having fun. You know what would make Brad feel better is giving away another Lucid 25K eval flex count. That's what would make me feel better. Here we go. And then this is your keyword right here. I'm going to type it into the chat. There we go. Type it in. 98 SR20. You knew it before. You knew it before I even typed it. You knew it before I even typed it. I'm going to keep all 31 accounts after tonight. They're all mine. You don't get any more after this. I'm going to need it to reset all my my evaluations here. This is a funded account. I usually don't trade funded accounts on the stream. This is the intraday funded account that we just locked in tonight. Looking for just a short back down to MHP was all I was looking for here. But no. It's no wanting to play with me like that. Oh, music. What do I want to listen to? I need to get something to get my blood pumping, man, because I need to get some like tape and like tape my eyeballs up. What's the watermark? What are you talking about, the watermark? I'm confused. What watermark did we have up there before? I don't remember it. All right, guys, we're giving away a Lucid 25K Flex account right now. If you're just joining the stream, welcome. My name is Brad. This is the night shift. This is the start of the birthday week bonanza giveaway. We're giving away 51 accounts this week. My birthday is Wednesday. I'm turning 51. We're going to do 5 accounts tonight, 5 accounts tomorrow night, 5 accounts on Tuesday night. Wednesday night on my birthday, we're giving away 31 accounts on Wednesday night for my birthday. And then Thursday night, we'll have 5 more to finish out the week. I just want to say a huge shout out to Prop Score. Prop Score guys went and got these accounts so that we could give them away during birthday week. And I want to give a shout out to My Funded Futures and to Lucid for giving us these accounts, supporting the show, supporting all of you viewers that show up every single night. We're averaging almost 10,000 viewers a night on the night shift. It's freaking amazing. And yeah, like I'm always blown away. I tell you guys how incredibly grateful I am to be part of this community. I'm incredibly grateful just to be part of hanging out with you guys all the time. As soon as this song is over, we will spin the wheel. But we're typing in the code word to enter the giveaway is Fade Brad because that's the play tonight. Brad passed My Funded Futures Rapid account tonight, and then since then, he has his trading decisions have been completely MIA. Sadly. 0 for 3 after passing the My Funded Future Rapid account. Sucks. But some of it is I do feel extremely tired. I've had a very, very long day today. I just am you guys can tell my energy level is just not what it normally is, and I apologize for that. It's kind of hard to manufacture energy. Darb's still here. See? Darb. Brad. It's just backwards. You know what I mean? Like, Darb is backwards. Maybe I should just turn the hat around, keep the hat around. Rally cap. Rally cap on the ES trade. Don't let it happen again. I know, right? It's so bad. It's just, I feel like I'm letting the stream down when I show up and I'm tired like this, and I'm just like, ugh. Like, yeah. Can we play? I'm still here? Yeah, sure. Rally cap is inside out. Yeah, we got to do the... I don't want to ruin my hat. My Oakley hat is my favorite hat. I could use one of these back here. Hold on. Here we go. We can use the old Astros hat for the rally cap. Oh my gosh. Rally cap is on. Let's go rally cap. Do your job. All right, spinning the wheel. No more entries. Let's get wheel of names up here. The bot is turned off. We're giving away the third Lucid 25K Flex account. Copy users, reset tool, bot is off. No more entries. Entries are closed. You can stop typing. 467 of you got your names in. The rest of you were just too slow on the draw. Don't worry, though. We still have 2 more accounts to give away tonight. No more. I know, 467. Can you believe it? There's 930 people watching the show right now. So it's crazy. 467 people typed your name in. We're going to shuffle up all the names on the wheel right now. We're giving away, shout out to Lucid, 25K Flex account. These are the accounts that I have made over $12,725 in payouts since April 1st. And I've taken most of those payouts live here on the stream. You guys have seen me do it. All right. So here we go. Lucid 25K Flex account winner is hey, let's go, Cali STL fan. Congratulations, Cali STL fans. You are the winner. I've seen his name recently, and I've seen his name in Discord. That is a legit person right there. I've seen him in Prop Score Discord. I am going to put your name into the winner's circle right now. We're going to put you in Lucid 25K Flex. Your name, Brad Stream. Submit. You are submitted, sir. Congratulations, you just won a Lucid 25K Flex account. To claim your prize, you know what to do. Go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find the link in the description of this video, Prop Score Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel, and there are instructions on what you need to do to claim your prize. So congratulations, Cali. Is STL St. Louis? Is that what that's Cali STL? I mean, what does STL stand for? I would be interested to know. Cali, I think, is California, but I'm not sure what the it's Cali St. Louis. I guess the cardinal on the cardinal on the back should give it away. I guess I wasn't paying attention. I guess I wasn't paying attention to that. Yeah, the Cardinals logo. Oh, you live in California, gotcha, but you're a St. Louis Cardinals fan. So we would not get along. Did we have this conversation already, Cali St. Louis fan? Because I grew up in Illinois. I was a Cubs fan, and the Cubs Cards rival was out of this world. I was a Cubs fan back when we had like Andre Dawson, Ryan Sandberg, Mark Grace, the Penguin at third base. We had Jody Davis as a catcher. We had Sean Dunston. We had Lee Smith. We had Rick Sutcliffe pitching. Dude, the Cubs were my team, man. All the kids and the neighbors, and if we'd ever play like baseball in the street, it was always Cubs versus Cards, you know. All right, I gotta play Papa Les's song. I gotta play Papa Les's song in the song submission channel. Bada boop. Papa Les put a song in. I gotta turn it up. It's called, where did it go? It's called Second City Callin'.
I wanna be live funded. I ain't stimulated.
Ryan Sandberg, dude, he was one of my favorites.
Even though it's simulated.
I want to be live funded, even though it's simulated.
Money means nothing if it comes from my mate.
Dude, this is great. Yes, Kyle, that's right. They're all lucid so far. I want simulated. Simulated. We love simulated. I got my rally cap on. Come on, baby. I feel like saying Cubs suck. You wouldn't be wrong. So I'm not a Cubs fan anymore. I'm an Astros fan, obviously, with all of my Astros hats behind me, and I live in H-Town. I have since converted. I do keep up with the Cubbies, but I'm not like a Cubbies diehard anymore. But I kind of keep up with them. If they're on, like if I hear anything about them or watch anything about them, I'm gonna, I kind of key in on it. What is this song, Liquidity Operator? I don't speak. I don't even know if I want to say that because I don't know what that means. Your song is in a foreign language. And I need to know what that means. Breaking the cycle. Okay. It's Spanish for breaking the cycle. Noah speak English. No, I did spend a lot of time in Chicago. So my grandparents, lived up in Gary, Indiana, and back then Gary, Indiana wasn't the murder capital of the world. It was actually not a bad suburban neighborhood from Chicago. But I spent a lot of summers up there in and around Chicago. So. Astros are great at stealing signs. Hey, it's baseball, baby. They're going to put signs up for you to steal. You're not doing your job if you're not trying to get some signs stolen. I haven't been back to Chicago. Gary, oh yeah, Gary's trash, like absolute trash right now. See you, Kyle. Have a good one, bud. You are tucked in. You can go tuck yourself. We'll see you tomorrow. I haven't been back to Chicago since my grandma's funeral. That was in 1991. No, 89. 1989. So I was 14 years old. Yeah, and if you think that the Astros were the only one doing it, then, you know, you probably believe the earth is flat too. The Astros were just the scapegoat, baby. They didn't want to punish the Yankees. They didn't want to punish the Dodgers. They slapped the hand of the Boston Red Sox. But they didn't really do anything else. We no speak Americano. Everybody, here's my hot take for the night from American sports. Everyone in American sports is trying to cheat. And you can't convince me otherwise. Especially now that gambling is legalized, every single one of them is trying to cheat. They're all trying to find every possible way to skirt the rules. If you're not cheating, you're not trying. If you're not cheating, you're not trying. Yeah, they're good. They're all like everyone. I don't care if it's basketball. I don't care if it's football. I don't care if it's baseball. I don't care if it's UFC fights, hockey. It doesn't matter. Once they legalized sports betting nationwide, money does stupid things to people, man. It messes you up. The lure of being able to make a cheap buck is overwhelming, and people think they can get a little bit of an edge. They do this or that, try this or that. It's what it comes down to. We have 2 more funded accounts to give away tonight. We also have 2 we have 2 boot camps that were donated earlier by Drops and Papa Les. Plus, because we got to 400 likes, I will add 4 more boot camps to that so that we have 12 boot camps to give away tonight. Tomorrow, guys, is day 1 of the live boot camp. Let's go. Tomorrow at day 1 of the live boot camp. Super excited about that. As soon as the market closes, we will jump into a Zoom call, and Matt will kick us off on day 1 of 20 for the live boot camp. There is going to be a ton of people in the new live boot camp. You didn't know how to access your boot camp from Friday? Did you go into the Prop Score Discord and claim your prize? Ivan's Ortiz? Did you go and claim your prize? Beto won't be there? Maybe not. Yeah, so they'll post the Zoom link. The Zoom link will be posted in the Rocket Scooter Discord. Skydock. So you'll go into the Rocket Scooter Discord tomorrow when the market closes, and in the there's a boot camp channel, and there will be a Zoom link in there every day that you will hop into. So if you've won a Rocket Scooter boot camp and you've already got it set up, or if you haven't got it set up, you're going to want to get it set up before tomorrow so that you can jump into that Discord and get that link. I'm not sure the rally cap's working. I've gotten chopped all night. Still feel sus here, and I still feel like we could get down to the... my original TP would have gotten hit, by the way, and that just frustrates the crap out of me. Still feel like we could see some lower price action from here, but... I've also been out of sync with the market all night long, too. Where is the link for the Rocket Scooter Discord? There is a link to the Rocket Scooter Discord also inside of the description of this video. It's right underneath. I think it's right underneath the Prop Score Discord link. Respectfully, your rally cap looks like a jerry-rigged cowboy hat. Oh my gosh. That's funny. Bank Robber says you won a boot camp the other day. I want to attend the lives, but I won't be able to commit. Can you re-gift it to someone tonight? No. We record all of the videos. So you just use it, and whenever you can go in and watch the video that was recorded, then you just watch it at your own pace. That's your boot camp, man. You use it. Trader D says you just signed up for Pro Plus, so you have the platform for tomorrow's start to the boot camp. Trying to get data. Do you know if any of the brokers do not require it? No. To get CQG data, you're going to have a brokerage account. And I think AMP is the cheapest one. I think it's a $50 minimum to open that account. And then they'll give you your CQG data. You'll have to pay... I don't know what their CQG data is, like $5 a month or $8 a month or something like that. So I would recommend AMP. Sign up with an AMP, put $50 in there, get your CQG data. They want more than $50 to open the account. Kevin says you have to keep a balance above $100 with AMP. So there you go. There's your answer. I use Iron Beam, and they want even more than that. So, hey, Jake, thanks so much for being here, man. I appreciate you. Have a great night. Go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow. NinjaTrader does not have CQG data, though. You can't use NinjaTrader. I don't believe. AMP. What is AMP? AMP is a brokerage. It's a futures trading brokerage. PL Strom is my rally cap. I'm trying to rally the market to. I'm trying to rally the market into my winning trade here. But it's hurting my head. I got to take it off. I'm tired. I've got a headache. I'm a grumpy old man tonight. My energy levels are non-existent. I lost the first two trades on the stream, and I'm down, about to be 0 for 3, and it just sucks. I'm not pissed about it. I'm really just like tired. Iron Beam is the one I suggest. AMP is the brokerage that a lot of people use. It's just AMP. I'm not gonna. I mean, you can go Google AMP brokerage, AMP. JR says, when you win a boot camp, will you be charged for it after 1 month if you don't cancel? Yes. The boot camp is $20. If you keep it for more than a month, it will recharge you another $20 so that you can have access. You can continue to have access to the boot camp. So if you win a boot camp, you win your first month for free to take the boot camp. You can go through all the videos in less than a month. That's what I did. I did not take the live boot camp. I just watched the pre-recorded videos from the previous boot camp. When I took it in June of last year, I just signed up and took it and went and watched all the videos that were already done. I did not attend a live boot camp. Iron Beam requires you to have $500 in whatever. So if you want to send Iron Beam data out to Rocket Scooter, you have to have at least $500 on that account. I put $650 in so that it keeps the balance above $500 because you have to pay for data $9 a month. So that's like a year's worth of data in there that I don't have to worry about. The boot camp starts tomorrow at the end of the market close. So when the New York session closes at 4 o'clock Eastern, at 4 o'clock Eastern, everyone will jump into... Is that right? Is it 4 Eastern? Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's 4 o'clock Eastern. Matt will jump in and he'll put a link in the Rocket Scooter Discord, and you can go in and you can watch all of that. Yeah, if you've won a boot camp before, you can certainly enter to the giveaway tonight. You can try to win another month free. Absolutely. How am I successful with the Lucid 25K accounts? Well, I trade high volume pivots on the Rocket Scooter platform. That's the main way I'm successful. Like I only trade. Like, guys, my strategy is the Rocket Scooter system. It is all about trading high volume pivots in and around the Rocket Scooter platform that the Rocket Scooter platform puts in. I'm gonna see if it'll load up the previous. Yeah, so here's the previous sessions. You have all of these high volume pivots inside of Rocket Scooter. You've got yellow bands, you've got the gap, the daily open gap, you've got liquidity pockets, liquidity maps that pop up and show you what your game plan should be every day. It literally prints on your chart. You see right here where it says support resistance. It tells you which one it is based on the resilience indicators that we have at the bottom of the chart here. So when it's not rocket science. I said this before. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to trade Rocket Scooter. But that's all I do is I just trade the Rocket Scooter platform, and that's where my success comes from when I'm trading my funded accounts. All right, this friggin' market I'm in. Oh. There's so many things wrong with my trading tonight. It's not rocket science. It's Rocket Scooter, baby. And
Check it. Yeah, yeah. Scooter hums on an opening bell. Half gap flash ain't ringing that cell. Risk interval tight, one tick at a time. Consistency rule, I'm walking the line. Balls on calling. Liquidity pocket, fan blowing candles. I don't stop it. P&L party, money gun spray. A plus setup, blow the eval away. Heads pressure, scooter goes to grid. Stack 'em payouts, let the prop firm skid.
I need a Snickers. Chump Trader says I need a day of recovery. I do. What's up, Seth? How you doing, man? I'm having a great birthday week. The start of my trading week hasn't been the way I wanted it to be. Well, actually, it did. I passed my 50K rapid on my funded futures when the market opened off of MHP right here. I traded NQ, but I used the ES MHP entry as my proxy entry for NQ, and I passed. I made $1,500 on that, and passed my funded futures rapid account, which I'm trading right now, and I'm currently down $230. So sucks. Also lost $800 on the Top Step 150K combine that I'm trading as well. So, I've had better starts to the week. I think one thing I've learned trading the Asia session is like, you still have all of the New York session to go, and like, don't let whatever happened in the Asia session carry over into the New York. Just treat New York like it's a fresh day. Go get some sleep. Get a good night's rest, wake up refreshed, come back, see what happened in the London session, see how price acted, look at the news, what's going on. And, from there, it's just, you just watch Rocket Scooter, you pull up Rocket Scooter, and you just keep going. So, yeah, I'm not worried about, guys, believe me, when I tell you there's the loss on that, 250. So there's 0 for 3. And that's my session loss limit. I'm not going to take another stab on those tonight. Did not win again. He did not. Beto has been removed from the YouTube channel. He changed his name. Is he back? Nah, I'm not. I'm not. I'm at the. So here's where I'm at right now is like, I'm not in any way, shape, or form at my mental sharpness at the moment, and I feel it. I feel it in my eyeballs. I feel it in my head. I feel it because I can't form words in cohesive sentences, which you probably noticed. Feel it in my plums. I feel it in my plums. And I have been on the exact opposite of every move. My first move, had I held it, would have been a good trade. I really did. I was just super sus about that initial pump, and it hit the stop. You know what I mean? Like, you have stops because they protect you and they protect your accounts. I'm not about to blow, I'm not about to, on the first night of the week, in the first couple trades of the night of the week, of a night when I'm tired, I can just tell you I'm just not locked in on it right now. I'm not. Yeah, Anthony, I'm not going to be trading anymore. The good thing is we still have we have an hour left in the show, and we still have 2 My Funded Future 25K Flex accounts to give away. And we have 12 boot camps to give away. I'm cooked in the fact that I'm very tired. I've just been up since 4:30 this morning, so. Have I been exposed to some strange exotic virus like maybe the hantavirus? Is it Hanta or Hunta? Because isn't it spelled Hanta? right? Isn't it hantavirus, not huntavirus? Oh, Hanta. Yeah, that's what I thought it was Hanta, right? The Andes hantavirus. I don't feel sick at all. Like I don't feel sick at all. I just feel it's pronounced Hanta. It's not. It's not pronounced Hanta. H-A-U Hanta? No way. The hantavirus? Hentai virus? Hey, Brian Jefferson, thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you being here and watching the show tonight. You can go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow. Hanta? It's H-O-N. Is it really Han? Hantavirus? Okay. Hey, I believe chat. What I heard, now this is just what I heard. I heard that it's not, like, it is a deadly virus, yes, but that it's not, and I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just telling you what I heard. And I don't even remember where I heard it, was that it can't spread as rapidly and as quickly as like the COVID virus because it's so deadly. Like, hey, Chump Trader, way to go. Brad needs to go tuck himself. I do. I need to get tuck myself. I got one more hour, baby. We're hanging in strong. So it's like because it kills its carriers so quickly, it's very hard for it to continue to spread. It's like Ebola. Like Ebola is a really bad, deadly virus, but it doesn't really break out into this massive pandemic because when it's isolated, it dies very quickly. And it's not as easily spread it's not as easily spread from human to human like COVID is. Now, I have no idea what I'm talking about because I'm not a virologist. Denial is the first symptom. I don't know. I'm gonna take my blood pressure, take my temperature. Man, I feel a little flushed. Rodents like Beto. Yeah, it's not going to break out. That's the thing. It's not going to break out. Like, it doesn't work that way. Like, the reason that colds spread so rapidly, the reason that the flu spreads so rapidly is because you're spreading it before you even know you have it. Hey, Rookwan Halfie, thank you so much for being here, man. You passed an eval and recovered a Lucid Pro 50K eval. That's awesome, man. I'm so glad to hear that. I hope that you faded me and made a shit ton of money tonight, man. If you were a virologist, I really wouldn't listen to you. Thank you. Yeah, but the reason, like, you could have a cold and you can be contagious and you don't even feel sick yet. That's why COVID could spread so rapidly. That's why colds, flu, it all spreads so rapidly because you don't even realize you're sick and you're spreading it. And I think with the hantavirus, like, day one, you start feeling bad, and then by day 3, you're dead or something like that. Hey, Anthony Ray, I'm so glad to hear that, man. I'm glad that everything is helpful for you right now. They started, no way. Willful Loki says that in February, shockingly, Moderna started working on a hantavirus vaccine just 3 months before a hantavirus breakout. What? You know what I'm allergic to? I'm allergic to winning trades in the Asia session. That's what I'm allergic to. Yes, the live boot camps will be recorded. If you miss a day or whatever, every boot camp will be recorded and you can go back and watch it. Usually the very next day it's uploaded into Discord, so you can go back and watch the next day's one if you missed it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Your boy is going to sleep so good tonight, y'all. Scoot, Scoot, Scoot got banned. Beto, Beto got banned. No more Sunday nights. Yeah, Thank you for that, Pavelez. I appreciate that. Yeah, I definitely am not like worried about any of these tiny little baby drawdowns. It doesn't. I used to would get worried about it, and now I'm just like, I know how I can trade when I'm locked in and when my edge is present in the market. Like none of this is anything. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is this. Just trading this rapid account with the intraday trailing drawdown. That's the only thing I'm literally worried about is how do I get the trailing drawdown monster off, get that gorilla off my back? Because I know it's a psychological thing, but I also know there's got to be a trading plan in place to beat it consistently. I know people are doing it, and I know that if you can beat it consistently, there is a very nice payout on the other side. It's just extremely difficult for a reason. Yeah, the gap is probably going to close. Gap is probably going to close. All right, top of the hour. There's the 10 o'clock hour coming in strong. And let's do our next giveaway. My Funded Futures 25K Flex account. Chad, I need some help because I am at a loss for what our next keyword should be. I feel like I'm talking in slow motion. That's what I feel like. I feel like I'm talking in slow motion. I almost feel like a fever dream right now. Tuckered. Oh, Jamie Cartwright. I love it. It's perfect. It's perfect. Like right out of the gate. Right out of the gate. Like that, you just nailed it. Like you were just waiting. What a meta word for the show and for the night. Like, it's just a perfect melding of the night shift and being tired and tucking people in. Like, you just nailed it. You brought it all together. You brought the whole show together into one word. What a fantastic keyword. That is just absolute creative genius at work right there, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic. That's the kind of creativity I'm looking for, ladies and gentlemen. You got to bring a good game to the keyword suggestions. It's got to be like that clear. Like when you see it, you just know it when you see it. And that was like instantly I read it and I was like, yes. I feel like I'm slurring my speech. Oh, man. I'm sorry, guys. I know that I'm dragging it down tonight. I know I'm dragging it down. The rest of the birthday week will be absolutely on fire. How many fingers am I holding up? Oh man, 0? How do I know you have fingers? Is this a trick question? Sounds like I already hit bourbon o'clock. I'm not kidding you when I tell you that I actually feel like I have, I haven't had any alcohol today, but I literally feel like that's the kind of feeling I have when I'm trying to talk. I'm trying to talk right now, and I just feel delirious. I could fall asleep on the stream right now. I could put my head down. I could be out. Like, that is legit. How many people would stay on and watch me sleep? Would I lose viewers or gain viewers if I just fell asleep? Like this right here. Like this. If I just did this. Would people watch a 50-year-old dude with futures charts on just sit here like this? Keep the music going. Only if your toes are in the shot. That's hilarious. Try and find out. Matt would fire me. Have to leave the micro going? You think I snore? Splash your face with ice water. I gotta do something. So I've got like 45 minutes left in the show. Come tuck yourself. They would think I'm dead. Like, I have a loss on my screen, and they're like, oh, this dude just unalived himself. Oh, my gosh.
You came rolling in like a Sunday song. Showed me where my heart belongs.
One more minute. One more minute to type tuckered. I definitely feel it, man. Everyone would think I would just be dead. But everyone would be like, hey, are you going long or are you going short? Never mind the dead guy on the camera. Let's get some house music going. How about some Do you even trade? Yeah, we could play that one. Can we get a market direction? Hey, before you unalive yourself, could you please tell us long or short? And let's be honest, you just want to know so that you can fade me. It's okay. Do you even sleep, bro? That's a good one too. Nice job, Polo Nexus. Well played. Any big plans? So this week, I don't think we're going to do much this week for my birthday. We might do something this weekend. So my birthday's on Wednesday, and obviously we stream. I'm going to take the day off Wednesdays from my day job, so I'll be off all day. I think I'm going to be watching my granddaughter, actually. And then I'll be here, obviously, Wednesday night with you guys. Got to stream Thursday, work, and then stream Thursday night. And then Lady Darb and I, Friday and Saturday, we'll probably do something. You know, we'll probably have some fun and do something. I don't know what. We don't have like any big special plans that I know of. Walk into Chili's like you own the place. You know it, baby. Absolutely. That's great. Well, we will do something. I just don't know what we're going to do yet. I don't know. Oh. Pam's long in ES. Good luck, Pam. Don't wear your birthday suit. Hey. Crazier things have happened. Crazier things have happened. All right, you got 24 seconds, y'all. 24 seconds.
If you wait for it. Edge never sleeps.
All right, there we go. Entries are closed. No more entries. You can stop typing. I have got all of the names in the list. There are no more names to be had. The bot is turned off. This is for a My Funded Futures. Before we roll this, let's take a gander at the My Funded Futures. Where's prop score? There it is. Prop score. We're going to My Funded Futures. My Funded Futures accounts. Let's take a look. This is a Flex 25K account that we're giving away. End of day, cost $84. You get $1,000 drawdown, $1,500 take profit. It's 50% consistency. It ranks 8.0 overall. The things that it's very that are above average or excellent are price per time in market and the drawdown per price that you get. Both of those are really good. The return on investment is average, and the path to the simplicity is average. If you go to minimum first payout, you can see the simplicity goes way up for this account. The only thing that's kind of low when you're looking at just your minimum first payout is your return on investment. But since you're not buying this account, it's actually an infinite return on investment. Now, if you want to go try these out, I would highly recommend them. My Funded Futures is a great account, and you can see all of the My Funded Futures accounts score extremely high across the board. All of them are really, really good. So there we go. There is your prop score from the Flex 25K end of day account. Let me get back over to my, where is, there it is. All right, shuffling it up. Guys, don't forget to use code SCORE when you're buying your next prop firm. If you use the prop score website, please use code SCORE when you check out. Micah Larocco. Or Micah, I don't know. I'm just going to say Micah Rocco. Congratulations. Type something in chat. You just won. Michael Rocco. M-I-C-H-E-L Rocco. Michael Rocco. There he is. You got it. You dude, you got it. You got it. All right, let me put your name into the winner's circle. MFF 25K Flex. Username Michael Rocco. Congratulations, dude. You just won. To claim your account, to claim your prize, you're going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find that link in the description of this video. go to the Claim Your Win channel, and there are instructions there on how to claim your win. Congratulations. We have one more. Scotty doesn't know. What? Matt Evans, what are you talking about? Scotty doesn't know. I don't know. Oh, it's the next Michael after Jackson. Got you. Rocco is. All right, so we have one more. My Funded Futures, 25K account to give away. It's just a prop firm account. It is a free evaluation with My Funded Futures. We have one more prop firm account to give away tonight. One more My Funded Futures 25K flex account.
Still do it anyway.
And we will give that away in 10 more minutes. Oh.
Knew what I did, yeah, I knew what it cost. Knew I regretted the second it's lost. No one to blame, I can't shift that truth. Just me and the proof, yeah, me and the proof. Said I'll fix it, I done said that before. That's what it is, yeah, that's what it's for. That's the part that'll mess with your head. Not the losses, the lies you said. They say you done.
No, we'll have a new entry word. You can stop typing Tucker. That word is dead.
Next day, woke up, didn't feel that drive. Almost shut it down like I tried. Hovered on the edge like what this proved. All that time spent just to lose. And not that same loop, not that same regret, not that same version I ain't be yet. So I slowed it down, yeah, I cut that size. Had to learn control, had to kill that pride. Every loss now got a lesson in it. Every move got intention in it. They say you done, I'm still here. Said it won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here.
Jackpot, baby.
It won't last, I'm still here.
Jackpot, baby.
I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. It wasn't the market, it was me.
This little Reese's peanut butter chocolate egg, you know what it's saying? I'm still here, Brad. I'm still here.
You didn't do better. That was me.
This is exactly what I needed.
I didn't leave.
I just need like a little sugar bump to get me over the last 25 minutes of this show. It's so melted, it doesn't even resemble a chocolate egg anymore. It is, I'm gonna have to almost suck it out of the package because it's like stuck to it. Oh, she's probably watching, and I don't really care because I need this. It's going to be so messy. Oh. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's so good. That's so good. Now I feel like an instant, like it's just like instant dopamine. She didn't leave it there. No way. Sucking on things tend to get messy. Happens. I mean, what are you going to do? This is a family-friendly show. I wonder if I got anything else in there. I got a protein bar. That is, look how smashed it is. Look how smashed it is. Oh my gosh. I have no idea. So it's in my back. These are in my backpack. And I hardly ever clean out my backpack, obviously. Like my computer backpack. So I have to use this machine when I go to work, so I take it with me. It goes in my backpack. This cookies and cream protein bar, 21 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 4 grams of net carbs, and it's as thin as a piece of paper. I don't even know if I can open this, if it's just going to peel apart. I'm trying. Oh, here we go. Lady Darb, babe, I have got to eat something. I'm going to pass away before the stream ends. It's a Quest protein bar. The foil is sticking to it. I'm sure it's fine. It's been perfectly preserved. Busted. I'm just going to take one little bite just to see. Okay, a little chewy. Little. Okay, you really got to get on it. You got to really like. Okay, the flavor, the cookies and cream flavor is still there. But it is like, it's like cardboard. It's like cardboard. Bad idea. That one's got to go in the trash. Oh. It is. And it had been smashed down. Okay, bad idea. That was not the right call. That was not the right call. All right, new keyword, final My Funded Futures. Final My Funded Futures keyword. What's it going to be? My Funded Futures 25K flex account. Suck it out of the package. That's not it. Bad. No. That's how you get antivirus. You are probably 100% right, BJ. Oh my gosh. Don't eat it. Busted. Oh, there it is. Hey, I don't know if that's ghost or ghost. No means no. That's it. No means no. I love it. I don't know why that one jumped out to me. No means no. No means no. There you go. There's your code word. No means no. Good job. This is for our final giveaway of the final prop account giveaway. We still have 12 boot camps to give away. We're going to give away a My Funded Futures 25K flex account right now. And then right after that, we're going to do 12 boot camps. Nope, 16 boot camps. Because we had 3 donos. That's 12, and then I add 4 to it. That's 16. So we have 16 boot camps to give away tonight. Oh, man. That's like caught in the back of my throat. I'm gonna have to eat something. The sad thing is I'm gonna have to eat something when I get done and I get back to the apartment. And then I'm just gonna go to bed and crash. But I've got to eat something. I have not eaten hardly at all today, and I think that's my problem. I had one kolache this morning at church. One kolache. That's it. That's all I had. And then at lunch, I had some leftover. I took out. Does it matter? No, you can. People like to type it more than once. You only get one entry. It doesn't matter if you type it 10 times or 100 times. You only get one entry. People just like to type it 155 times. I don't know why. I guess they just their OCD won't let them not type it more than once because they think that it's not getting entered. So it's fine. That's why people just type it over and over and over and over and again. So for lunch today, I had leftovers we went to Papacitos. We took Lady Darb's mom and dad to Papacitos last night, which is a Tex-Mex restaurant here in the Houston area. I don't know if they have them everywhere, but I don't know like how national they are. Papacitos is great. But I got these like Chipotle chicken fajita taco things, and they were huge, and I got 2 of them on a plate, so I brought one home. And I emptied all the contents out, so I didn't eat the tortilla. So I just had like all the chicken and onions and peppers and guacamole. And that was what I had for lunch. And it wasn't, their tortillas are so good. And their salsa is so good. I love their red salsa. It's warm. It's the flavor is like this like kind of roasted flavor. It's so good. Oh man. So I just ate one. I had one at the restaurant and then I brought one home and I had that for lunch today. And I haven't had anything since. And then Lady Darb brought me a wrap, which I ate the wrap, and it was a keto wrap. So it was like provolone cheese was the tortilla, a big round piece of provolone cheese, and then it was oven roasted turkey, Black Forest ham, and slices of pepperoni with the provolone cheese wrap. That's what I ate here on the stream a minute ago. Really, really good, but it was just not enough. I'm still I have not had enough calories today. That's also contributing to my lack of energy and my lack of mental focus and ability to keep the vibe up on the stream tonight. So I apologize for all of those things. I don't know why I'm apologizing. It just felt right to do. It feels right to say I'm sorry. I don't know why. Somebody else was asking about I'm Still Here. It's a song that I used AI to create. You can find all of the music is in my Suno playlist. Akita Saints. If you go to the description in this video, somewhere in there is a link to my Suno playlist, and it has all of the songs that are playing right now, including I'm Still Here. And I'm going to fast forward past this one to Do You Even Trade, Bro? Because it's tonight. This is the most appropriate song I could play tonight. And the answer is no, by the way, to the question of this song.
Yeah. Here he comes, yeah, he back again. 3 minute scout, now we typing fast. Why they watching? I don't get this. No context, just reckless. Scrolling charts like it's instant food. Wants a trade every minute or two. No rush, go slow. Let it build, let it grow. Do you even trade, bro?
No.
Do you even trade, bro?
Not tonight.
I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. Do you even trade, bro?
Nope.
Now it hits, yeah, the level cracks. Clean entry, yeah, we planned that. TP Prince, Chatty Rups.
The difference between My Funded Futures Flex or you're talking about Lucid Pro and Lucid Flex, right? I don't think My Funded Future has a Pro account. Yeah.
Do you even trade, bro? I'm not a shower.
Which prop firm are you talking about? I can't remember who it was, and I'm not going to scroll back up and find that.
You came in loud.
ES going for the Gaffel closer.
You want it, we want it, skill.
All right, let me grab my wheelie. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, entries are closed. You can stop typing, ladies and gentlemen. No more entries. I have turned off the bot. The code word is disabled.
Do you even trade, bro?
There we go.
I'm not a shower. I'm a grower.
Our final prop firm account giveaway of the night. My Funded Futures 25K Flex account. We're shuffling it up. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm not a shower. I'm a grower.
You're going to need it because there's 371 of you on this wheel.
Do you even trade, bro?
Zeepelkire. Zeepelkire, congratulations. You won a My Funded Futures 25K Flex account. Man, he was fast. Look at that. Did you see how fast he was? Or she, I'm not sure. I just say he randomly unless it's a girl name. I assume it's a guy if it's not a girl. That was so fast. That was incredible. Locked in. I mean, locked in on that giveaway right there. My man. That was impressive speed, sir. That was impressive speed. Thank you. Thank you for not making us wait. You've heard that. Bourbon. Oh, that's so great.
Now it's different. I don't move the same. I don't chase that hype. I don't play that game. Got rules, got structure. I respect my
You barely joined the stream and you won on your first night here. Dude, who was the guy? Prop something investment. What was the dude on Friday? So Thursday night, some dude won an account and a boot camp on my stream, and then he won an account on Matt's stream, and then he won another account on Neon's stream the same day last week. It's crazy. And we all use different giveaway stuff. It's not even the same. Oh, you're here all the time watching? You just barely tuned in? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, that was crazy. I can't remember who that guy was. He's probably never going to come back. So, Zeppelcore, you're going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video, okay? Go to the Prop Score Discord, go to the Claim Your Win channel, and there will be instructions there on how to claim your prize. So, I hope it works out for you. I hope you like it. It was like Profit Something Investment. I can't remember what his name was. Peak Profit Investor or something? Yeah. That guy won so much. Oh, sorry about the music. My bad. Again, my mental focus, my game is off tonight. My bad. Jason Lloyd, first time here. Welcome in, buddy. I'm usually not this boring of a host, I promise. So prop firm accounts are a cheap way for people who don't have capital to trade their own funds. They will spend, so like for instance, the 25K accounts that we were giving away tonight, people will pay a fee to take a test. And if they pass the test, then that prop firm will give them a simulated funded account. And then if they make profit off of that simulated funded account, they will get real cash payouts from that account. And if they make a lot of money off that account, they'll move them to a live account. So that's a basic nutshell of how the prop firm industry works. That's a very quick down and dirty 101. All right, guys, if you have never taken a boot camp before, we're giving away 16 boot camps right now. Type the word boot camp. Boot camp is the key word. The live boot camp starts tomorrow when the market closes. It's a 20-day boot camp. It is a incredible trading education. It covers all of the fundamentals of trading, from trend identification, position sizing, stop loss placement, entry techniques, trade management, market avoidance strategies of when to know to sit out of the market. And then it takes a deep dive into the Rocket Scooter trading strategy and the Rocket Scooter platform. It is a 20-day trading day education. It costs $20. It's $1 a day. It is worth 100 times that bare minimum. It is the very education that 1 year ago took me from being a break-even trader to becoming consistently profitable. And you saw last month alone that I pulled out over $12,000 off of the Lucid accounts that I've been trading here on the stream. It is a incredible... Matt is just a great teacher overall, but the platform itself is fantastic. And many people... The reason we're giving away 16 boot camps is because strangers that you don't know come into this show every single day and they donate money to buy boot camps for complete strangers. There's no other trading community that does that on YouTube anywhere. There's no other community that is buying education for complete strangers. It doesn't happen on any other channel. We give away hundreds of boot camps every month because people just donate almost every day. They donate more and more and more so everyone can have a chance to take it. It's fantastic. It really is. We're going to give away 16 of those. If you haven't taken the boot camp, or even if you have taken the boot camp before and you would just like to have a free month access to it, then I would say type boot camp in right now. We will use ChatGPT to pick our 16 winners here so that we don't have to spin the wheel 16 times. But I'll grab those names here in about a minute. Akita Saint says, I did my first real trading day last Friday with real money. Def could use this. Been paper trading though. Yeah, if you have never done prop firms before, or if you don't have a lot of capital to trade with, it's way cheaper. And it doesn't hurt as much to lose trading. What's up, Papa Les? Why'd you give me $1 donation? Why are you tipping the host like that? Oh, it's for Beto? $1 for Beto? Man, this is just super what a freaking night, man. I was on the opposite side of every move.
But the doubt gets loud and I lose my pace. Where I start strong, but I fade too fast. Let the moment slip, let it all collapse. Yeah, tried to outrun what I didn't face. Kept looking around, trying to shift the blame. But the truth cuts clean when the lights go low.
What did Beto do? Yeah, he was basically accusing me of not trading, or like all of the profits and payouts that I was faking it, and he just kept giving me crap about not being it wasn't me, like I'm not doing it. So, and he wouldn't stop after I asked him to. Called me an AI. It was just generally annoying. Yeah, he took it to, he wasn't, do you even trade? He was like, you don't trade. You're not real. Your trades aren't real. Your profits aren't real. Your dashboard's not real. Your payouts aren't real. And he was already on the naughty list already, and now he just got moved to the you're done list. Screw that guy. He may have just been having a bad day. I don't know. All right, we're grabbing all the names. All right, let me get ChatGPT up. Here we go. Please choose 16 random names from the list below to win a rocket scooter boot camp. Here's the list. You have like a 1 in 2 chance of winning a trade because there's only like 37 people that registered for this. So. There's so many people that have taken the boot camp already that most people, they're trying to give other people a chance to win. All right, here we go. Your 16 winners. Toasty, Joy, Sinister Scalper, Rami Rama, Gazia Haj, Marco Musso, Bill Jeff, Goober T, Akita Saints, welcome. Hima Salvin, My FX Note, Kim Capital, Evo, Unix 2K, Jason Lloyd, SKDI Trader. I know, Goober got one and you didn't. Papa Les, I'll give you one if you want one. Wait, I thought you won one last. I thought Papa Les, I thought you won one last week. All right, I'm gonna enter you guys into the winner's circle right here. Boot camp, all your names, Brad Stream, submit. All right, to claim your win, listen closely. Listen up, guys. This is how you're gonna claim your win. Hold on. You are going to go into the description of this video, and you are going to get a link to Prop Score Discord in the description of this video. Prop Score Discord. Click on that link, join Prop Score Discord. It's completely free. Doesn't cost you anything. There is a channel there called Claim Your Win inside Prop Score Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. And there, you will find instructions on how to get your boot camp. Now, listen, you're going to want to do this tonight and by tomorrow, before tomorrow closes, because tomorrow we start a brand new live boot camp tomorrow. The live boot camp will be taught by Matt, the founder of this. This is his channel, Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel. He is the inventor of the Rocket Scooter platform. He will teach every day for 20 days at the end of the market close. So at the end of the New York session, we will jump into the Rocket Scooter Discord. There will be a Zoom link for those people who have access to the boot camp. You will jump into the Zoom link. There will be hundreds of people in there for this boot camp. I promise. It's gonna be packed. We've given out so many boot camps in the last month because people have been donating them. All right. That's how you claim your prize. Congratulations. Hope you like it. I'm tapping out. I am exhausted. My brain is exhausted. I want to give one more final shout out to Prop Score. I want to give a shout out to My Funded Futures for donating the accounts to give away tonight. And I want to give a big, huge shout out to Lucid for giving us the accounts to give away. We're going to have an incredible week this week. It is birthday bonanza giveaway. We just gave away the first 5 of 51 accounts for the week on the night shift. We're going to have 5 tomorrow night. We're going to have 5 Tuesday night. And then we're going to have 31 accounts on Wednesday night for my birthday bash. We'll have 31 accounts to give away. You don't want to miss that. It's going to be packed. There's going to be thousands of people here watching and trying to get their account. It's going to be incredible. And maybe we'll take another payout this week. I've got 2 accounts that would be available for another payout this week. So we'll see how that goes. Of course, that all depends on the market and whether I can make good trading decisions when I'm not tired. So we'll see how that all goes. Right now, I'm going to remind you, tune in tomorrow for Matt's stream because I was just looking at the giveaway schedule. Matt is loaded in the morning. He is loaded with great accounts in the morning. And if you're not going to be able to catch a stream, jump into the Prop Score Discord because they have giveaways happening in there all day as well. This is the place to be to win free accounts. Prop Score Discord, they have giveaways all day. Every show on this channel does giveaways. Matt has, oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Matt's got 9 accounts to give away tomorrow morning on his show. Neon's got at least 4, and if Matt runs out of time, which he often does, he usually just gives those to Neon. And then I'll be back here tomorrow night with my 5 for tomorrow night as well. So always a joy to hang out with you. I am so incredibly grateful. Glad to be back with you. I know my energy was low tonight. I'm so sorry, guys. I really am. But I'm glad you hung out and stuck it out with me. Tomorrow night, we will pick it back up. And I promise you, I will be the top of my game. I will be rested. I will be good. I will make good trades. I promise. All right. Time for me to tuck you in, pull up the covers, turn out the lights, wish you sweet dreams of green. The night shift is clocking out. See you guys tomorrow. SEMA Show, good night. GF Core, have a great night, chump. Thanks, buddy. Tori Williams, good night. 98, Kevin. Solo Futures Trader, Shuri, Rod Straight, Dexter Gone Wild, Sile Dev, Raleigh, Arze, PL Strom, Adam Daz, Duarte Machado, Rondi Serrano.
No need to shout. Night shift, clocking out. Close the charts, power down. Good night, sleep tight. Sweet dreams of green tonight.
Sweet dreams of green, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you. Skydoc, Bella, I know I missed some. My mic got muted. I'm sorry. I can't go back. Flip Flop, E-Mini Man, Coast, Keith, Ryan, SEMA Show, More on Wall Street, Adam Daz, JLB Toronto Blue Jays, Terry in San Francisco, Papa Les, Blue Skies, Gabe. Everyone's getting tucked. Everyone, you're tucked in, all right? Everyone gets tucked. If I missed your name, I'm sorry. Go Cubs, screw the Cardinals. Amen, Terry in San Francisco. Sorry, Callie in St. Louis. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Sleep tight, sweet dreams of green tonight. Sweet dreams are made.
Good night, Drops. Thanks so much, man.
Sweet dreams. dreams of green tonight. Sweet dreams tonight. Tonight.